Yo guys, I'm doing some quick checkups here if everything is working and if we're exactly live right now. Should be live over here. Should be live and we should be up and running, but on my second screen, it is not live yet here. So I'm doing some quick checkups here before we're exactly going to start with discussing the market, of course. And I think, yeah, everything is working right now. Let me know in the comment section right now, guys, how you guys are doing. I'm doing absolutely perfect right now here. I will be as well discussing on today's video what the Bitcoin market is about to do here. We're seeing a very severe correction for the first time in quite a while here on Bitcoin. We have been seeing right now a 1.8% correction here. I'm currently as well in a short position, and I will be talking about this rising wedge pattern and what we could be expecting of this breakdown here. So guys, make sure to first of all let me know in the comment section how you guys are doing here. I'm going to do probably a very long stream here. On today's stream, I will be discussing quite a lot of important on-chain data as well here, because if I'm looking to on-chain data right now, guys, I'm seeing some very interesting things. I'm seeing, of course, first of all, the volatility index right now on Bitcoin is showing us that we're about to see extreme amounts of volatility anytime soon here. So this is a thing that I will be discussing, of course. I will be going over the Bitcoin chart with the open interest, and I will be discussing and I will be talking about this stream why the open interest is so important to pay your attention towards right now, because we are literally right now and approximately 19% away from an all-time high on the open interest. So guys, a lot of things that we will be discussing today here. I will be talking about why this is so important to talk about. And in the meantime, Bitcoin is even dropping off further and my short position is absolutely exploding right now here. So I'm already an approximately $1,800 in profit right now. So this is, of course, a very beautiful position that I got here. And the reason basically why I entered this trade here is going to be explained right now in this video. So once again, I have been not announcing it because, guys, I have been saying to everyone that you want to be extremely careful with trading the market right now here, since it is risky to trade the market on the current time of recording. So first of all, let me discuss some current ongoing momentum on the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart, guys. It looks to be still, even though we have been forming a lot of these momentum divergence in the past time here, it looks to be once again that we have been forming another momentum divergence. And since we have been ignoring them in the past, I was still very skeptical with it. So I was trading it with a very tight stop loss there. So what you can basically see, of course, on this move over here, we have been forming a lower high here on the MACD. We have been forming a lower high here on the RSI, but still a higher high on the price action. Of course, guys, if you're already familiar with my channel and if you're already familiar on the way how I trade here, my best trading strategy is, of course, trading on momentum divergence. And currently, of course, because there's a lot of manipulation going around on the market, these momentum divergence were not really working with me. The Reinet looks to be once again playing out here. And finally, we're seeing something like a minor cool-off period for Bitcoin. So let's see how this is going to be ending, of course. Let's see which levels we are going to visit on this chart here. I'm really looking forward to see where Bitcoin can be most likely heading towards. I will be as well discussing some very important daily levels of support and resistance. And let's see if we could be maybe squeeze some longs and shorts here, because this is definitely very interesting what we're going to see here. So yeah, we're going to talk about the liquidation that we're maybe going to see here on Bitcoin, on and of course, on the Ethereum, we're going to discuss where the market is most likely heading towards. And I will be going over my trade. And I will be probably taking some profits as well live in the stream here. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards what we're going to do. And in the meantime, we're even dropping off further. And let me right now discuss right away, guys, the price targets of this rising wedge, guys. So we are dropping off very quickly, and my short position is absolutely going nuts right now here, and this is going to be very important. I see the chat is going absolutely well right now here, guys. I'm as well looking forward to see where we are going to go towards, but I will be right now talking about, first of all, why this is a clear fake out on the top side. This is a fake out on the top side. First of all, since we were not able to hold on towards the support line. Second of all, right now it looks to be that we are right now getting this first big red candle, and this could be maybe the long liquidation that Bitcoin, where I was talking about earlier today already. And if this long liquidation will be coming here, this means the open interest will be dropping off for Bitcoin, means that we're going to see such a significant correction like we saw in January, in February, like these corrections over here, because it's going to be extremely likely that we're going to see such a correction playing out anytime soon here. So right now, let me talk a little bit about why this fake out was, of course, very likely. I was already talking about it earlier today. We were seeing, of course, I was just talking a minute ago about it. We were seeing, of course, momentum divergence on the top side getting created here, giving me a signal that we're most likely going to see a move towards the downside getting created here. And right now, more and more people are taking profit and more people running out of the market. Probably this is once again a lot of manipulation, because if I'm going to quickly look here, and guys, Bitcoin is even dropping up further. If I'm going to quickly enable the volume, this is going to be very important how high the volume currently is here. So looks to be the volume is running up very significantly, like you saw here in the past, like I discussed earlier as well today here. You can see on this push towards the upside, guys, we were not seeing any volume coming in towards the market, and right now on this correction we're right away seeing huge amounts of volume coming in here. So push to the upside. Most likely it was not wheels that were selling over there, but right now the wheels are selling because the volume is running up once again here. Yesterday I already explained my my theory about the volume and the current manipulation on the market, but let me as well discuss the price target. So like you guys probably already know here, let me make this line real quickly right over here. The price target of a rising wedge is basically the start and the beginning of this wedge here. So the beginning of this wedge here is, of course, trading on the 49.7k here. So naturally speaking, guys, unless we're going to create a huge wick on the lower side, and of course, we are going to be able to close this 1 hourly candle here on the top side, we are going to see another significant move towards the upside getting created here. But if we're not going to be able to of course close still this 1 hourly candle in this rising wedge here, we are going to see a price target getting reached of the 49.7k here. And since the point of the rising wedge, this is going to be an approximately trade of 5.1% here. So guys, this is very important to pay your attention towards right now here, and this is going to be a very severe correction if we are, of course, still going to say if we're going to close this 1 hourly candle below this level of support over here. And yeah, there is still a possibility that we're going to create a huge wick and move up very quickly once again. We are going to see this price target over here getting reached here as well. Looks to be the 1 hourly candles could be shifting its trend right now here, because if we're going to be right now forming a lower low than this low over here, I will be of course looking for a downtrend, and I will be looking for Bitcoin maybe, of course, setting lower highs, lower lows once again, because that is basically how a downtrend looks here. So right now it's going to be important what Bitcoin is going to do on this 1 hourly candle close, guys. I've been already talking about it, yeah, with you guys earlier today on my Twitter page, guys, because this was a very important tweet that I was doing here. Let me see. I was talking about this here, guys. This was very important to look at. And let me quickly talk about it before going back into the chart, guys. And let me know in the comment section if we're seeing a very severe correction and whatsoever. But right now, let me explain real quickly to you guys out there why you want to be careful right now here. And me as a trader, I have been being very careful right now with trading along the market, because look at this, guys. Let me explain this. So important. The open interest on Bitcoin is almost once again at an all-time high here. This is extremely important, and you have to be paying your attention towards this, since the recent shakeouts, of course, in the beginning of 2021 here, basically all came because of the high amounts of open interest. So we should be benefiting from this information. So the higher the open interest goes on Bitcoin, the more severe corrections we could be having here, and the more and I know it feels very well to make the gains the whole day, and you want to be staying bullish because basically you think the market is moving up here. I'm loving the gains, of course. I felt the same way here, but I mean, I'm developing my skills as well here, and I'm not getting wrecked this time, of course. So, I mean, previously I already not got wrecked so severely, but right now I want to be crushing the market even harder, right? So yes, I have been not being extremely bullish right now on the 50 towards 52k range. That is basically because I'm seeing a lot of red flags right now getting formed here. So right now is the time to be a little bit more cautious while trading here. And as I said, on the next dip, I will be only taking long positions right now. Right now, it's just too risky to trade towards the upside and to trade long here, since the open interest is higher. And if you're looking back towards the price action of Bitcoin, let me make this yellow real quickly, and let me make this a little bit thicker. Let me make it green, by the way, here. You can see over here, we saw this correction. This, of course, caused a drop-off in the open interest. We saw a correction. This caused a drop-off in the open interest. And basically, every single time the open interest was setting a new all-time high here, we were seeing a very severe correction because too many people were in profit. And right now, we are seeing the exact same here. We had a very long run up here, and a cool-off period is going to be likely for Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be never going up in a straight line here, and we need corrections to shake out all these people in the profits to continue higher once again here, because not everyone could be in major profits, guys. That's the thing that you have to know here. And right now as well, to be very honest, Bitcoin on the daily chart, we have been seeing major resistance getting found as well on the daily chart right now. You can see upper slope resistance line getting formed there. This could be a very severe level of resistance where we could be heading towards. And someone is talking about Ventum, guys. I will be talking about Ventum because, yeah, I've been accumulating Ventum around the 27 cents. I've been talking about it as well on Twitter, and I only got like let's say 10 or 20 likes on that tweet here because it was way pause and 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 wait 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 pause and wait. Excuse me. Sorry, I had some technical difficulties. This is very annoying. Excuse me, I'm back. Excuse me. Everyone is saying lol in the chat. I don't know exactly how it sounded like. Probably it was stuck on the same sentence because I have this sometimes several times here. I don't know what it is, but it's just something with my MacBook. I think I have to get a new one. I've already got the 2021 edition, but it's not still very good here. So let me see. And we pause. Okay, guys. I don't know exactly where I was talking about, but I was basically saying that you want to be getting a little more careful if everyone is getting too greedy. So let me quickly get as well water for myself. Excuse me, guys. I'm back. Of course. We are back again. Excuse me so much for this this very interesting thing here. So let me see. A lot of people are also talking about Solana. I will be talking about it in a second, guys. So give me a moment here. Away, pause. Captain Jack Sparrow, thank you for the donation to the channel here. And once again, thank you for tuning in, of course, first of all. Guys, as well, make sure to sign up right now with BYBIT in the link in the description. I will be probably taking some profits on this trade right now here, or anytime soon here, because yeah, I was expecting, of course, a move towards the downside, so I did took a minor trade towards the downside as well. But right now, first of all, I will be highly appreciating if you're going to smash up the likes right now, you guys. Let me see how much likes we currently got here. We got 72 likes here, guys. Let's see if we can reach the 100 likes on this stream here. It's only taking a few seconds over time, and you will be meaning the world to me, of course. So make sure that you're going to smash up that like button right now here, guys. Will be highly appreciated. So let me see what the chat is saying. The bear market is starting, and guys, I've been as well doing a prediction. I've been doing a prediction on Bitcoin. And I have been, my prediction was, of course, first of all, that we're going to see a minor cool off period before moving up once again here. And on this break or on this cool off period, everyone will be calling for a bear market. And while everyone is calling for a bear market, I will be accumulating because I will be expecting another leg up here. Because these whales exactly want you to be saying, okay, we're right now in the bear market. That's exactly what they want here. And second of all, guys, I do think, yeah, we could be maybe see Bitcoin increasing a little bit further here. But my major level of resistance is going to be, of course, this blue box here on the top side. This blue box is trading around to 53 towards 54,000 US dollars. This has been historically a range where there has been a lot of big buy orders, a lot of institutional buying over there. So on places where there are very huge buy orders, there could be as well very significant resistance, of course. This is basically a trading strategy that some people are using here. I've been starting to, of course, look at these big buy orders at certain levels, and I will be putting my resistance boxes at these levels where there was a huge accumulation, of course. So yeah, definitely a very important level that we have to be breaking through on the daily candles for Bitcoin. But right now, like I told already earlier today, we have been starting to create a resistance line here on the top side for Bitcoin as well. If you're going to go to the weekly, I've been seeing something very interesting, guys. So let me remove this line here of resistance real quickly for Bitcoin. And let me start up here. Look at this resistance line from the Bitcoin weekly chart here. This is also pretty interesting to pay your attention towards. Maybe we could be running into towards some Bitcoin weekly resistance, guys. Look at this. Have been already talking about this yet here, but this could be for sure true here. Of course, we have to be waiting for this week's candle close here before really talking about this further on. But for sure, looking forward to see where this could be heading towards. So yeah, Bitcoin could be right now forming this resistance line towards the downside over here. And this could be, of course, correcting Bitcoin. And the most important part about this here, I do expect to see a correction because we have to be shaking out some weekends, right? Because people have to get out of the market because not everyone can get rich, right? Not everyone can get crypto rich. So it is going to be inevitable that we're going to see at least a minor correction. And by the way, guys, let me quickly talk about Ethereum, because I have been taking profits on Ethereum on the 4K range here, and this is crazy what we're right now seeing here. Ethereum broke down here off this 4-hourly. Look at this wick, by the way, guys. This is crazy. Or is this only on... Yeah, there's everyone. There's not only one exchange, guys. Look at Ethereum. Sorry that I have been not discussing this, but... Basically, first of all, we have been seeing a lot of momentum loss for Ethereum. Ethereum has been losing a lot of momentum here on the top side, because first of all, guys, you never want to be seeing consolidation after a parabolic run-up. I have been saying this several times here. Consolidation after a parabolic run-up here can be sometimes be good here, but usually consolidation after a parabolic run-up here is going to... end in the market correcting, because all the momentum indicators are going to cool off here. All the momentum will be running out here. So yeah, there is a possibility after consolidation to see another minor leg up here, but in the end of the day, you're going to run out of momentum, and the chart is most likely going to correct here. So usually, I am always going to take profits on price actions where you are seeing a parabolic run up here and then consolidation. So I have been saying it. I have been taking profits on the $4,000 range on Ethereum. I have been saying it here on my channel. And it could be maybe already start to accumulate back right now here. But personally, I have been saying to myself here that I will be starting to accumulate my Ethereum back on the $3,600 range. So that is going to be, of course, an approximately 10% correction after I sold huge amounts of Ethereum. I'm going to be buying it back once again here. So looking forward towards it, and usually these predictions can be taking some time here, since the daily and 4-hourly candles are lacking indicators, and it could be take some patience, and patience is very important in trading the market right now. So look at Solana, look at ADA, guys. I will be going into ADA in a second, because I mean, I won't be shilling it once again here, because I as well told to everyone I was taking profits on $3 Cardano, and we're right now trading on $2.60 here. So you can't deny the fact that I have been absolutely crushing these take profits right now here. So we'll be going over into it in a second, guys. As well, Bitcoin still 60 minutes away before closing its candle. But right now, let me as well take a quick look here at the target for Ethereum, guys. Ethereum broke down of this symmetrical triangle. Price target already got reached here. So yeah, we could be approaching this level. You could be already take some profits if you open a short position on this breakdown, like we discussed yesterday in a video. Unfortunately, I did, went out of my Ethereum trade here, but this was already a 5%, move towards the downside. With a 20x leverage, you could have been literally taking, let's say a 100% gain here. So guys, as well, for all the people right now willing to sign up as well with BYBIT to crush the market, just like I'm doing currently with this short position, and I'm going to try and ride the short position at least to the 49.7k here on Bitcoin. So looking forward towards how much gains I could be making with the short position, guys. If you want to be joining me with the next trades here, make sure to first of all sign up here with BYBIT in the link description. If you're signing up right now here, you will be getting a $3,000 deposit bonus, and I'm very glad that I did took some profits here as well on my Ethereum. We'll be buying back anytime soon here. So as well, I've been yesterday saying to my to all the viewers and all the people here on my page here that Ethereum and altcoins in general are looking a little bit weaker. So I was saying yesterday to all my followers, please, you are probably going to be better off with holding some more Bitcoin right now here, since Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is losing its momentum since we were breaking down of the ascending triangle. Since then, we already have been seeing, let me say this correctly, guys. We have been already seeing a 6.8% loss compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, Ethereum has been literally showing a lot of weakness right now here, while Bitcoin is even moving further towards the downside. Guys, I will be going into Cardano in a second. I will be going over all these coins here, guys. So make sure, first of all, to hit that subscribe button right now on the channel. Make sure to as well smash up these likes, guys, because we have been warning you guys on the channel on Ethereum and on the other altcoins to take some minor profits out of there. So guys, we'll be highly appreciated if you're going to smash up the likes here as well. Make sure to follow me right now here on Twitter, guys. Make sure to follow me on Twitter so you're not going to miss out on all these signals that we were giving to you guys. At RoverCRC, definitely looking forward towards what we could be doing here. And today, I think it's going to be maybe a very red day if Bitcoin is going to be able to close this 1 hourly candle below the 52k range. What I do expect, to be very honest right now. So let me talk a little bit about different altcoins. I see a lot of people right now talking about VeChain as well, showing a lot of weakness. I will be going over several altcoins, guys, in a moment. Just give me some time. Let me as well talk about Cardano. So what have I been saying with Cardano? I was already talking about Cardano, that we were seeing a huge amount of momentum loss here on the 4-hourly candles. Guys, I mean, yeah, I'm talking a lot of times about these momentum losses here on these coins. But yeah, I want to be extremely bullish, right? I want to be bullish, and I do expect that, yeah, at least Bitcoin is going to see the 100K getting reached by the end of the year. Don't get me wrong, I'm a huge bull as well on Cardano. I still think that we could be seeing and visiting maybe the $4, let's say in the coming 2 months here. But right now, we are a little bit overextended. We are overextended on altcoins. Cardano is overextended. And for me, it was undeniable. It was too risky to still hold my Cardano while we were trading above the $3. So I have been saying on my channel as well that I sold 80% of all my Cardano on $3.04. I mean, that was a very good call here. Let me see. That is approximately already 15% down from there on. So I could, right now, if I'm going to buy back into Cardano, have literally 15% more of these Cardanos in my portfolio. So a lot of people were not appreciating me saying this, but this is, of course, the thing that we are right now facing here. Let's see how Bitcoin is going to be as well reacting to this red candle, because this could be for sure maybe the beginning of a minor downtrend. I'm not saying that we're necessarily going back to 44K right now, or 50 or 45K. No, this could be a 1 hour trend reversal. So a 1 hour trend reversal is going to be maybe bringing us back towards 50K, and then maybe we could be seeing a very severe bounce back towards the upside. So this trade that I currently have open on Bitcoin as well, I will be most likely close it on the 50K range approximately. I will be taking some profits from other strong levels of support, since, yeah, it's going to be extremely likely that we're as well going to see a very strong bounce anytime soon here, guys. That is usually very strong and likely to assume here. So I know, I know Solana is right now showing a lot of strength, because a lot of people are right now telling me. Let me look at Solana real quickly. I mean, Solana, I like it. A lot of people are going to say Solana is going to overtake Ethereum. That's not going to happen. Solana is not going to be overtaking Ethereum. That is for sure a thing that's not going to happen, because almost every single altcoin is already built on Ethereum. Yeah, please don't expect it, because every single time we have a run up here on Solana, then we have a run up on Matic. We have every single time a new coin that is most likely going to be the competitor or overtaker of Ethereum. I can already tell you guys that's probably not going to happen. The chance is extremely small that is going to happen. But right now, yes, we have been moving up once again here. On the daily candles, we are still looking pretty strong, to be honest. We have been not forming huge divergence. That is for sure a thing that is true. But what we are seeing right now here is that Solana is extremely overextended on the daily time frame. I think it is way too overextended right now here, and it would be, for me, not smart to accumulate Solana right now here, because it is you're buying just too high. You are too late to the party, and I don't like to buy into a coin that pumped approximately 611% in the past 48 days here. Yes, if I'm looking and if I'm going to track my emotions towards it right now here, it's going to be very easy to say, okay, I'm going to buy into it because it pumps so hard here. But is it worth the risk that you're right now taking for the potential reward in Solana right now? For me, no. I'm staying away from it, because there are a lot of other opportunities right now in the market as well here. There are a lot of other opportunities with different coins that could be maybe give you better returns and bigger returns right now here. So please be careful. Of course, no financial advice here, but personally, I will be staying extremely cautious with Solana right now here, guys, because it's, in my opinion, a little bit overextended here. So yes, it could be still for sure maybe hit the $250. But once again, you have to be asking your question right now here. The question that you have to be asking yourself right now here is Solana is it worth the risk right now to buy in Solana for the potential reward? And I personally will be right away say to you guys, no, it is not worth the risk for the potential reward on Solana. So make sure that you keep that in your back of your mind as well here. So is it too late to short Bitcoin? I do think yes. I think it is right now not smart to open a short position on Bitcoin. Of course, if you got the top side over here just like me, yeah, it was better, and the risk management is as well a little bit better. But right now, in terms of risk to reward, is it smart to short Bitcoin right here? No, because then once again, you're attaching your emotions to the market, and you're definitely not going to crush it. So guys, by the way here, and will be highly appreciated if you're going to smash up the likes right now here. And as well, if you're going to smash up the subscriber counts. Guys, we're literally a few subscribers away before reaching the 56.8K here. So it will be highly appreciated if you can smash it up right now here. As well, for all the people that just tuned in here, the rising wedge breakdown target is going to be another 3.3% towards the downside. It still yet remains to see if we're going to reach this price target. This over here, of course, this box over here, this orange box, is going to be an extreme important level of support for Bitcoin to hold on towards. As you can see here, previous resistance, previous support. Let's see how the market will be reacting towards this level. If we're going to be able to hold on towards this level, I will be expecting, of course, a minor pushback towards the upside, and I will be taking as well some profits on the current short that I'm having here, because first of all, if we're going to reach this level, I will be taking out probably 20 to 10, 15 to 20% out of this trade. Let me see if everything is still working. So if we're going to reach this level, 51k here, I will be taking, let's say, approximately 15 to 20% out of my trade, and I will be moving my stop loss, of course, to profit as well here. So we'll be trading with no risk at all here. So guys, make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on this level right now on Bitcoin. Definitely going to be very important. Guys, let me know here. Let me know the coin with the most amount of guys, let me know which coin I have to be going into watch right now here, and the one who the coin that is getting it spammed the most, I will be going over. So make sure to drop your coin, and then we will be going over the most favorite coin, of course. So guys, make sure to drop it. And as well, guys, a reason to be subscribed to this channel right now here is, let me go to YouTube here, because literally yesterday we already dropped literally a 3-minute video. Oh, excuse me, this is the wrong chart. I have to go to my channel. But literally yesterday, guys, we dropped a video. And let me see if everything is still correctly. Yes. Literally yesterday, guys, we dropped a video here on the channel, and on this video I see ADA. Okay, the most amount of requests are for ADA, so we'll be going over ADA in a second, guys. Give me a moment. But yeah, yesterday we literally dropped a video here about new Bitcoin pattern reveals the next major move here, and of course that is this rising wedge. So guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button on the channel to not miss out on this these important informations that we are dropping to you guys. Okay, so let me go right now into Cardano, because yeah, you guys are really requesting Cardano, and let me as well discuss some levels of Cardano where we should be paying our attention towards. First of all here, I mean, yeah, we are seeing still a huge momentum loss on the daily in Cardano while we are still moving up here. It's likely to see Cardano maybe do something similar like this over here, but then I don't expect such a significant drop-off like we saw, because this was in the April drop-off of Bitcoin, and I won't be expecting for Bitcoin the same kind of cool-off period right now on the daily time frame. I will be expecting for Bitcoin a little bit of an easier cool off compared to the previous ones here. So maybe Bitcoin, back to 50k, then maybe start to move up once again from there on. So for Cardano, what can we be expecting? Maybe a retest of the $2.30 here, previous all-time high. It's going to be, for me, at least a very strong level of accumulation. I've been selling my Cardano around $3, and if I can be buying back on the previous all-time high retest, it's going to be 22% increasement, because yeah, I literally made a 22% gain here since I sold the top, and right now we'll be buying back cheaper. So yeah, looking forward towards that one. Let me as well take a drink here, guys. As well, if you're going to look at the Fibonacci, if you're going to set up a Fibonacci from the swing low right now, guys, this is going to be interesting. Towards the swing high, you can see, first of all, we are finding support on the 0.236 here. Major accumulation for me, of course, depending if we're going to hold on towards this line here. I will be still a little bit cautious. Major accumulation going to be the golden pocket entry. Golden pocket entry trading on the $2.30 here. And guys, look at this. If we're going to put up a line here on the previous all-time high, this comes together right now with the golden pocket entry on Cardano. So Cardano looks to be as well a lot of XRP requests, guys. I will be going into XRP in a second, but give me a moment. Let me start up with finishing the thoughts on Cardano before really moving into XRP, okay, guys? So let me take a quick drink here. So, guys, for Cardano, previous highest daily candle close was, of course, $2.30 here, and the Fibonacci golden pocket entry is going to be as well the $2.30 here. So, what is my strategy right now for Cardano? My strategy will be here that Cardano is going to, of course, move back towards this level, then start to move up very quickly. So, yeah, I will be looking forward towards accumulating Cardano over here. Could be for sure take maybe a week from here on. Could be maybe be tomorrow. Could be maybe already be today. But for me, at least, I will be starting to accumulate. I'm right now talking about spot. I will be not talking about leverage trading Cardano. No, I will be talking about spot, because I as well sold my spot Cardano on the $3. And right now, we'll be starting to buy back on $2.30 here. So, guys, looking forward towards Cardano, especially because the smart contracts update is coming out anytime soon here. So, yeah, I do feel very excited about it, and definitely can't wait to see where we're heading towards. And guys, by the way, for all the people out there, make sure to sign up right now with the link in the description on BYBIT if you want to be crushing the market as well. There are huge opportunities in the market right now, especially right now there's huge amounts of volatility in the market, and you could be benefiting from the volatility with leverage trading basically. So yeah, just like I'm doing, I'm a trader and I will be trying to catch every single move in the market. So sometimes I'm bullish, sometimes I'm bearish, and right now I will be bearish in the imminent short term here. So yeah, I did open a short position. If you want to be joining me with these positions, make sure to sign in with BYBIT here in the link in the description. The best liquidity is found on BYBIT, guys. I can already promise you that here. The best leverage trading exchange basically out there. Of course, Binance is also very good here. I'm not saying that Binance is bad here, not at all. But BYBIT and Binance are basically the best leverage trading exchanges there, basically because the liquidity is high here and the reaction speed as well here. So I would highly suggest using BYBIT if you want to be leverage trading. So let me as well go into XRP. So yeah, basically for Cardano, the $2.30 is going to be my main level of accumulation. So let me see. Your short target for Ethereum. I will be going over that in a second, man. Because I already told you guys that the short target is getting reached here on Ethereum. But for sure, we could be as well approach the 4-hourly candles a little bit differently and see if we can be finding another target here. And guys, you have to as well. If you want to be finding out about what I currently really expect here on the market, you have to be seeing this video here. Major warning, Bitcoin new price prediction. This is basically the prediction that I made here on the market. And I see several people right now in the chat. Several people right now in the chat are saying bear market, bear market, bear market. And this is so funny. People are right now already, we have been seeing a minor correction, but people are right now already saying bear market. The reason that people are saying this here just once again confirms my thoughts. Because, of course, we are not even there here. But if we're going to see a correction back towards, let's say, 50K, I know for sure there are going to be huge amounts of people going to say bear market this, bear market that. No, we are not in a bear market. I can already help that out of your dreams. We are not in a bear market. But we will see a shakeout before we're going to crush through the new all-time high. Because we can't. Not everyone can get crypto rich. And I have been, of course, talking about this several times, and don't say that I have been not warning you guys about this. Don't say it, especially on altcoins. I have been saying I will be taking profits on Ethereum, huge profits. And what are we right now seeing here? Ethereum trading below the $3,750. And everyone, once again, just like the previous run up here in May 2021, everyone called me crazy to take profits, and I did so. I did take profits, and I have been, of course, dropping it in every single video, and a lot of people were not appreciating honest thoughts here. And that is, of course, the thing that I'm right now think of the cryptocurrency space, what is not good here. Because yes, it is important to be realistic, but a lot of people only want to be hearing what they want to hear. And that is not good here, because I will always stay realistic to you guys. And we have been absolutely crushed the market. Especially with my Ethereum. I mean, I'm so glad that I took huge profits on Ethereum. I definitely can't wait to see where we're going to go tomorrow. So guys, let me as well talk a little bit about XRP. Because yes, if Bitcoin is going to correct ever so slightly, it is going to be XRP that's going to follow. No doubt about that one. So make sure that you're going to be paying your attention right now towards XRP. If Bitcoin is going to correct, XRP is for sure going to follow. So yeah, I could be, of course, do some very strong analysis on XRP here. But at the end of the day, it's going to be all come down to Bitcoin. So personally, I will be still approaching my major accumulation zone for XRP. If XRP, I'm not saying that we're going to go towards that level, but if XRP is going to be once again around the $1.06 range, guys, you have to be starting to accumulate around that zone. Of course, no financial advice. Always have to be doing your own research. But my accumulation will be at least starting once again. Huge accumulation on XRP will be starting again around to $1.06 here. Guys, looking forward towards where XRP could head towards. And guys, what I would love to see is XRP even go below the $1. I will be already say this because I would love to buy more XRP, right? I mean, I've been already saying to you guys, XRP is a coin that you want to be holding for the longer run here, since as soon as the SEC clears up, etc., we will be seeing, of course, huge moves for XRP, and we will be seeing the same volatility like we saw in 2017. So yeah, I will be still saying accumulate your XRP while you right now can still. And guys, I have to go back into Bitcoin for a moment here, because we just opened a new 1 hourly candle, guys. I will be taking some profits right now in a second if we're going to reach the $51,000 on Bitcoin. So guys, make sure that you're going to keep your attention on it. We'll be going back into XRP in a second here, but guys, we closed this 1 hourly candle. So basically, this 1 hourly candle close, guys, is confirming the breakdown of this rising wedge here. So make sure that you're going to keep your attention towards this. Make sure that you're not going to miss out on this candle close. And guys, by the way, I'm literally right now seeing here that we're 2 subscribers. We are 2 subscribers away before reaching the 56.8k. So if you're new on the channel and if you don't know what we are doing yet here, we have been absolutely crushing the market here right now. And if you want to be joining us with crushing the market as well, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we're literally about to reach this target and I would love to see it getting reached today here. So make sure that you're going to smash it up as well. For all the people, I want to be asking a few seconds over your time to smash up the likes right now here. Make sure to smash it up. Well, Bitcoin is moving up ever so slightly right now. Of course, volatility is increasing here, guys. Let me as well enable the volume once again here. So make sure to smash up the likes, will be highly appreciated, because I want to be for sure reach this target today if we can do so. And in the meantime, of course, I will be discussing as well the Bitcoin 4-hourly charts in a moment here. So yeah, very severe drop-off was just getting created here. Of course, the highest volume that we got here approximated quite a well, right? Look at this, guys. I mean, we have not been seeing this volume. And the last time that we were seeing this high amount of volume, I mean, on the 1-hourly candles, this is one of the highest volume close that we got here. Of course, on 26th of July was the last time that we had the same amount of volume on the 1-hourly candle, guys. The thing that I'm right now think is lacking on the market is basically volume. And guys, by the way, we as well reached the 56.8k, so thank you so much for smashing it up here. But I've been already explaining yesterday about this here on my Twitter page. Let me go back to our set. Let me see if I can see it. I was talking about it yesterday. So yesterday I was talking about the volume over here. You can see here, on all the Bitcoin bumps, we're seeing a huge lack of volume, but on the dumps, the volume really kicks in here. This shows me the evidence that there is a lot of manipulation going around on the market. So this is basically confirming, guys, these drop-offs are wheels that are dropping off here, and once they are pushing up the price, the wheels are not selling. So pretty interesting. I do think there's a lot of manipulation right now going on in the market as well. A lot of likes on that tweet, so highly appreciate to you guys. Big shout out to you guys. And as well, thing that I want to be talking about right now here is, of course, the volatility chart. And let me put my camera on the different side here, on the left side for a second. So, guys, what you can see right here. Right now, it's over there. Oh, no, sorry. Over there. No, sorry. This is pretty weird, my camera. Sorry. So, look at the chart right now here. Look at this index. This is basically the Bitcoin volatility index. And this is a very, very important index to pay your attention towards. We have been not seeing, of course, huge spikes in volatility lately. We're cooling off, so basically this chart is suggesting that we're about to see once again a lot of volatility in the market. So Bitcoin volatility will be increasing once again anytime soon here. Of course, this index is that suggesting that. So that's pretty important to pay your attention towards as well. Different indexes right now as well suggesting a very significant cool period for Bitcoin because the open interest is running too high. You have to be paying your attention towards this as well. Make sure that you're not going to get wrecked about this as well, guys. This is crazy. I was just talking about liquidations as well. A huge amount of longs were just getting liquidated. We see this all the time, especially while people are getting too greedy. We were seeing, of course, Bitcoin 1 hour, 213 million US dollars were getting liquidated on the market right now. Of course, the most amount of liquidations were found on Ethereum. Ethereum, of course, absolutely crushing everyone right now. Ethereum shaking out a lot of money right now in the market, and we are starting to move up once again here, so it's beautiful to see. But yeah, Ethereum, of course, faked out a lot of people here. We saw a very severe correction towards the downside getting created here. After that, right now we're moving up ever so slightly, but still, I want to be raising the awareness, guys. Be careful. We could be seeing another correction coming anytime soon here because the bounce is not so strong here, and that is the thing that you would be expecting, right? So, pretty interesting what we are seeing over there. So yeah, Ethereum, a lot of liquidations over there as well. On Bitcoin, 10.5 million. So please be careful right now with trading the market. As well, if you're going to look at longs versus shorts, guys. On the 5-minute, there are way more longs than shorts active. This is, of course, right now as well suggesting the majority of the people are going long here. The more likely it's going to see that we're going to see a correction from here on, because the more people that are going long, the bigger a long squeeze is going to be here. So very important that you're going to pay your attention towards this. Very interesting, of course, as well for all the people wondering. I'm still in short position here. I will be taking some profits anytime soon on this position as soon as we're reaching this 51,000 US dollar level. We have been not really seeing a clear touch here, and of course, if we're going to go back, let's say above the 52,000 US dollars, I will be taking profits because I think, yeah, we could be maybe seeing increases from there once again. So yeah, very important to pay your attention towards as well. A lot of people are not paying attention towards the open interest right now. I think that is irresponsible. if you're not going to be paying attention towards open interest. Open interest is basically the volatility index for Bitcoin as well here, because guys, I don't know if you already know how it works here, and as well, I explain my theory here, because you can see this huge drop here. Approximately 60% of the open interest was getting dropped out of the market, and that was resulting in, of course, Bitcoin moving down from the $64,000 towards the 34,000 US dollars. So basically, the 50% correction was all due of the open interest dropping out of the market. And how did the open interest drop out of the market? Because there were huge amounts of long liquidations. Right now, the open interest is moving up again here, and the higher the open interest goes here, the more severe correction we can be getting in the market. So still, I am a huge bull on Bitcoin, but I do think the open interest is right now running too high, and these whales are seeing it as well here. And the more whales, and it will be very likely to expect to see a minor correction from here on in the market. It's going to be very likely because the open interest is running up very high. This is, of course, once again, guys, a lacking indicator I'm going to talk about right now here. This, of course, is an indication that's going to be lacking. This could be for sure take another few days before we're going to see Bitcoin correcting very severely. We could be for sure see Bitcoin even increase back towards 55,000 US dollars before seeing a correction. But what is going to be very important, and oh my gosh, James Holt, you are orange CR. That's absolutely crazy. Big shout out to you, James Holt. You have an orange logo, what means that you're already 6 months a member of the channel. Big shout out to you, James Holt. Congratulations. I mean, absolutely crazy that you're still here on the channel. We have been around for such a long time already right now here, and definitely, yeah, thank you so much once again for supporting the channel. And orange logo, let's go for the red one. I think the red one, 12 months is red, I think. So that's pretty crazy, man. Thank you so much for supporting the channel for such a long time here. So yeah, looking forward towards where the market is heading towards. But yeah, basically, the open interest is going to be for sure lacking. It's going to be a lacking indicator, and it could be for sure take some, several days before maybe seeing correction in open interest. But it is going to be likely to see and cool off. So, hello Rover, I'm 16 years old right now. I'm looking for a university course that's related to crypto. So I want you to ask your opinion on what course you took. Personally, my man, I've been already in the crypto space since the end of 2015. I've been not taking a course at all. It's basically how I did everything is basically doing your own research, and I've done a lot of YouTube. I've been, of course, looking to different people, different opinions. At the end of the day, you're seeing so many different opinions that you're creating your own strategy, that you're creating your own your own way of trading, and of course, you're going to find out about which ways are going to be profitable. You're going to find out about which strategies are totally not profitable at all, and you're going to crush the market in the end of the day because of that. So I don't really have a recommendation for any courses or whatsoever. In the bear market, if we are going to see a bear market anytime soon for Bitcoin, I will be trying to maybe as well give some private classes. I will be doing some trading together with you guys, of course, completely for free. I will be not asking any money for it, but I will be let's say do a Zoom giveaway for 10 people, and then I'm going to do, let's say, a few sessions with you guys out there. So that's the thing that I'm planning to do. So maybe in the future I will be already doing it, maybe in the next month. I don't know yet here, but right now I'm still pretty busy right now with dealing with a lot of things right now in my personal life. So yeah, we'll be for sure looking forward towards doing these things here. But personally, trading is way easier in a bear market. I can already tell you. Of course, it's going to be right now the real big question. Are we going to see such a bear market like we saw last time around? I would love to see that, but I don't expect that. So, yeah, bear markets are way easier to trade because, let's say, bearish patterns are breaking towards the downside and bullish patterns breaking towards the upside. That's basically how a bear market is working. And right now we are in course, very strong bull market, and of course every bearish pattern breaks towards the upside, and it will become a turning point where everyone will be getting wrecked here, and we move down, of course. So that's the reason why bear markets are way easier to trade. Thoughts on Phantom, guys? You guys know that I don't know, because if I want to be searching for my tweet, I have to go way down because I did 1,500 tweets already on this account. So let me know if you guys can find it. But I, of course, did an analysis here on Phantom. I've been accumulating, like I've been saying several times here, on the 20 to 30 cent range here. I've been buying up loads amounts of Phantom, basically. I was loving the project. I mean, I still love the project, and definitely can't wait to see where it's going to go towards. I basically as well bought in towards it because of Pierre Gasly. I love him, and I want to support him. And I thought it was a good project, so have been doing a lot of accumulation. I have been taking profits around to $1.20, and right now, early today, I took some profits once again here, because I do think it is getting overextended right now here. Of course, the higher our price action is going here, the more profits I'm going to take here, because that is purely risk management here. You always want to be covering your risk to the lowest amount here, and of course, the more profits you're going to take, the lower your risk is going to be. So yeah, Phantom, of course, is not looking to be running out of steam at all here. It could be for sure. I'm not going to say that we're going to see a correction from now on. The only thing that I can say here is that it is getting pretty overextended, but this doesn't take away that we could be still heading towards the 2020 cents here. Let's say we could be still running up way higher. So if you're going to look at the Fibonacci, guys, let me look at the Fibonacci target of Phantom. I mean, the Fibonacci target of Phantom is going to be $2.03 here. If we're going to be able to close today's candle above the $1.50 here, personally, I do expect to see, of course, this candle close above here. I do expect to see this this daily candle close above this level, and if we're going to be able, so I do expect to see the stop side getting reached over here. So 24% increase from there on to that level. So yeah, we'll be anticipating that, but for sure, I should be as well highly suggest, of course, no financial advice once again here. Do your own research, but in my opinion, I think it is smart to take some profits along the way up here, because we are seeing a lot of overextended price action right now getting created here. So yeah, definitely we could be heading way higher, but you don't know when it is going to reverse, of course. So let's see where it will be ending. And we're as well getting another support of the nation here from Tree City. You're saying, who are your favorite other YouTubers? I mean, personally, I don't really watch YouTube anymore in terms of crypto YouTube. I mean, because I'm not doing it anymore, since it is too risky for me, because I will be basing my opinion on someone else, and that's of course not smart. So I always keep my head straight here. I have a clear morning routine here. I wake up, I look at the chart, I go to breakfast. After breakfast, I look to the chart once again here, then I go to the gym, and then I go back to work, and of course, look at the chart once again, and then I make a video to you guys, do a trading session for myself, make another video usually, and do another trading session, and that's basically how my days go every single day here. I don't really watch YouTube. Of course, I do watch some entertainment YouTube, of course, sometimes, but not really crypto related YouTube, really, man. I used to watch it in the past here, and I used to watch Crypto Zombie in 2016 or so. Yeah, 2016, I used to watch only Crypto Zombie, because he's very good in explaining news articles, etc. I'm not really the best explainer in terms of news articles, so I don't do it, because I'm a trader. I'm a trader, and of course, I look at news as well here, because it's important, but I do it for myself, of course. I look at hypernips, I look at trend identification, let's say Ethereum London hard fork update. I was extremely bullish on the $1,700, and guys, you really have to look back here. You have to go back to my channel, and it's pretty funny, because if I'm going back to my channel right now, guys, of course, 56.8k, absolutely, thank you so much here. But if you go back to my channel, and if you, let's say, go back for 2 months right now, Ethereum was trading on $1,700, and I told everyone that I was accumulating huge amounts of Ethereum, that I was not going to stop at all, and everyone called me crazy. I was getting a lot of hate over there, because people were not liking me that I was bullish on Ethereum over there, and right now, of course, I have been absolutely crushed it with these calls over there. Right now I'm bearish, and everyone hates me once again here. Not everyone, of course, but a lot of people were giving a lot of hate to me. I mean, I don't really care, because I make money because I'm trading, and I'm just doing, sharing my thoughts on the internet as well here. And I thought, okay, yeah, why not do that, of course. So I don't care, of course, on what the people are saying. I will be always sticking to my own strategy. So yeah, right now as well, we have been, at least I have been crushing the market over here, have been selling the top range over here. I've been absolutely very glad I did took profits over there. And right now as well, everyone called me crazy. Everyone called me stupid. And of course, right now is going to be, right now I have to be looking, because I'm not done yet here. Right now I have to be looking at which level I'm going to buy back at, because that's going to be extremely important. Because if I'm going to miss the train here, because yeah, we are going to go past the $4,000 anytime soon, for sure. But right now for me, it's going to be important where I will be buying back, of course. So we'll be already doing it right now here. Maybe partially I will be already starting to accumulate a little bit of Ethereum, but for me, my start of accumulation will begin on the $3,600 once again for Ethereum. So I'm looking forward towards it, because then I got an approximately, let me see, an approximately 10% extra Ethereum in my portfolio. So that's definitely going to be very important. Bitcoin, in the meantime, is well creating a minor wick on the top side. Let me see. How old are you? I am almost 21 years old right now. So, yeah, still fresh blood here. So still a lot of things to do in the future. Looking forward towards the future, of course. Can't wait to see where Bitcoin is going to go towards. Of course, I'm going to ride the journey towards the top. Definitely can't wait on it, and we're going to do it all together. You're still bearish. Right now, in the imminent short term, I'm a little bit bearish, man. Yes, I do think that we have to be a little bit more bearish. First of all, for all the people that are, maybe interested on why I'm bearish. You can see over here, we have been forming a higher high on the price action, lower high on the RSI, lower high on the MACD. This is basically telling us, okay, the momentum indicators are right now telling us that we're seeing a trend reversal. The momentum indicators are as well telling us, okay, we want to be looking for a downtrend right now. The momentum is shifting towards the downside, and that's the reason why why I'm right now a little bit more bearish as well. If you're comparing the previous lows here, excuse me so much. That if you're comparing the previous lows, low over here, and right now new low getting created here, we're basically starting to set a lower low trajectory. So yes, I am right now a little bit more bearish on the imminent short term here. You want to be identifying the chart, and this is of course my identification I'm currently seeing here. If I'm going to look at Bitcoin the other way around here on the 4-hourly candles, guys, you can see over here, yes, we are still on an upward sloping parallel channel here. It's going to be very important for Bitcoin to hold on towards this lower side of support, of course. So I will be keeping my eyes out on Bitcoin, where we are going to go towards, and what we are going to do, of course, if we're going to reach that level over there. So yeah, looking forward towards where we're heading towards. It's basically going to be the 50.7k, 50.8k is going to be very strong support for Bitcoin. So looking forward towards, what we are going to do over there. So yeah, make sure to, of course, as well hit that subscribe button here on my channel. And as well, guys, for all the people out there, make sure to right away as well follow me on Twitter at RoverCRC if you haven't already. I mean, I'm giving daily updates here on Twitter. I'm keeping you guys up to date over there about what we're seeing in the market, and I'm doing approximately 30 to 40 posts every single day here on my Twitter page about the market. So if you want to be staying up to date about the market in general, make sure to follow me on Twitter right away here. And while you're already, of course, off YouTube right now, while you're, of course, already you're supporting me, it would be as well extremely amazing if you're going to take 4 seconds of your time to smash up the like button, because making that like button blue on YouTube is only taking a few seconds of your time. And guys, what is going to be very important, what's going to be very nice, of course, is of course the more people that are going to make the like button blue right now on this stream here, the more viral cryptocurrency content is going, and the more viral cryptocurrency content is going, the more people will be getting exposed to it. So yeah, we'll be highly supportive if you're going to do so, and you will be helping me out as well here. So definitely lovely if you can be doing so. He's in Dubai at the moment. That's true. I'm currently in Dubai. I'm from I'm currently, I am from the Netherlands, but I currently live in Dubai. I mean, I live all over the world. Don't know exactly. I have not been settling myself anywhere, so I'm basically traveling all over the world right now here. Going back to the Netherlands in approximately a month from now. And then, of course, I will be probably go back to America, and I don't know exactly what my plan is going to be here, because I have some things planned right now here as well. April, guys, Miami, Bitcoin. So yeah, make sure to check it out. We follow you since January. Keep it up, bro. I mean, January, we literally had 400 subscribers, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, the YouTube channel grow, of course, massively. And as well, yes, it's absolutely been crazy here. So love it, of course, at all. Fully out of my Phantom position right now. I'm already 80% out, my man. So I definitely don't think you're doing a very bad job here. So someone is asking about the Cardano target. I've already explained the target for Cardano. So make sure that you're going to check out a little bit earlier back into the stream. You will be finding out about my target. So let me as well go into Ethereum. And let me remove all the drawings real quickly. Or let me go to a different chart here. So let me go to this chart. And let me as well discuss some import levels for Ethereum to hold on towards. So we got some levels that we could be finding some very strong support on for Ethereum. And these are basically these levels over here. So yeah, Ethereum could be finding very strong support on these $3,530 and $3,432. These are going to be major zones for me to accumulate on. Definitely can't wait to see when we are going to reach these levels, of course, because yeah, we'll be starting to accumulate huge amounts of Ethereum once again over there as well. If we're going to potentially even go back towards the $3,334, this is going to be as well a major zone for me to accumulate. And guys, as well, for Ethereum, have I been warning you guys about this level of resistance? Yes, I have. So, yeah, what you can see right now here is that Ethereum compared to Bitcoin run in towards very critical horizontal resistance. And I have been talking about this already, first of all, on my Twitter page and on the Ethereum update video. So, yeah, guys, what you can see over here, previous resistance right now as well getting as rejected. So personally, I do expect to see the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart to cool off ever so slightly. But right now, guys, I want to be raising the awareness once again here. We are running in towards very critical support. So Ethereum compared to Bitcoin found resistance once, twice over here. But right now it looks to be that Ethereum could be showing us some more strength compared to Bitcoin. But there is going to be only one way how we are not going to hold on towards the support line. And that is if we're not going to see, that it will only be so if we're going to see Bitcoin fall even lower. So if Bitcoin is going to be stabilizing for a second, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin will be most likely find very strong support on this level. But if Bitcoin is going to decide and even correct further towards the downside, we are going to see more downward pressure, in my opinion. So looking forward towards what we're going to get, of course. But this is, of course, a major level that you should be paying your attention towards right now here. So definitely looking forward towards we are going to end, of course. I do expect to see Ethereum find some very strong support on this level and move up ever so slightly from here on. So yeah, Ethereum could be showing some strength once again compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, looking forward towards it. And that's also a thing right now that you want to be, of course, get a little bit more careful if you want to be looking to short Ethereum. I mean, you could be rather short Bitcoin right now than Ethereum, in my opinion. But of course, still to clarify everything up here, I don't think it's smart to short the market at all right now because we already have been seeing a very severe correction. But what you could be seeing right now here, and of course, a level that you should be paying attention towards, is this resistance line over here. Let's see where the 1 hourly candle of Bitcoin can be closing, of course. But you can see over here, previously, we got very well supported by this level. This could be, of course, new resistance for Bitcoin. So let me make this line real quickly red. Let me make it a little bit more thicker. Now, let's make it a different color. Not blue, that's not very nice for my eyes, but I will be making it still orange. Let's keep it orange. So yeah, you can see over here, previous support, very strong support, of course, and right now going to most likely act as resistance since we have been closing below it. So yeah, keep your eyes out on this level. This is going to be very interesting where we are going to end up, of course, on this 1 hourly candle close. If we're going to be able to close this candle once again above it, we are most likely going to maybe start a minor move up here before once again correcting towards the downside because, yeah, we are still clearly in a downtrend right now here. So, yeah, looking forward towards that. Looking very, very forward towards that. So, let me see. For El Salvador, yeah, it's very... day to day, of course, airdrop $30 to everyone. So that $30 is maybe $29 right now worth. So, not very bad, to be honest, man. So, yeah, it's... Maybe they are selling off. That could be also a possibility. Because not everyone is believing in Bitcoin in El Salvador. Of course, I truly believe in it. But over there, not everyone is believing in towards it. So, pretty interesting. But yeah, for sure. Ethereum longs could be very strong right now as well. Ethereum longs could be very strong since of this bounce of the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. But still... I've been saying I will still be extremely careful with trading long or short right now. It's extremely risky. Look at the volume as well coming in over here. Crazy amount of volume. So as well, we're getting a little bit oversold. Lovely to see being the market oversold once again here. That took quite a while, of course, to see the market being oversold on the 1 hourly candles. So guys, let me see as well how much likes we cut right now. An absolutely crazy amount, I think. Yeah, 340 likes already, guys. You are crazy. Thank you so much for smashing it up once again. And let me know as well in the comment section. Do you want to be seeing more live streams here in the future? If you want to be seeing that, make sure to smash the likes here. Crypto, do you think 1 BTC equals 1 Lambo in the future? I mean, that is not even a question. That's of course going to be true. Yeah, I mean, I'm a huge believer in Bitcoin. I'm a huge believer, and a lot of people get me wrong about that one. I'm a huge believer. Look at this, how big of a believer I am in. Look at this. It's a little bit wet over there because I was just getting out of the shower. But basically, my t-shirt is saying, keep calm and hodl. So guys, keep calm and hodl. That's the strategy, of course. So yeah, of course, I'm a huge believer. I definitely think that you could be getting in a Lambo with 1 Bitcoin in the future. There's definitely no doubt, of course. But the question is, do you want to be buying a Lambo with your Bitcoin? Because it is not smart, I think. I mean, buying a Lambo, of course, it depends on your financial situation, of course. I think a car has to be maximum, 1 or 2% of your portfolio, because otherwise you're not a smart investor. So that's definitely a thing. How did you start trading? It was basically because I was, first of all, it was, of course, way back I started trading because I just wanted to make money. I was just always focused on money. Maybe it's a bad habit or so, but I mean, I was young and I was always trying to make money, however what. And of course, basically started because I made some very big big dollars by investing in some stupid altcoins in 2016, 2015. I'm very pleased, by the way, that my dad allowed me to invest in these things here, because not everyone has the same situation. Of course, I was pretty young by then, and I was willing to take a risk, and my parents really helped me as well with that one. So yeah, very interesting, of course, what we saw over there. I'm pumped with very significant gains. I made an approximately 50 to 60x with a few coins, and I saw it was possible. And then I found out about trading in 2018, and I started trading. I made huge losses by then, but I get better. I was, of course, attaching a lot of emotion towards it. Right now, still, the biggest mistakes that I see people make in trading right now is putting their emotions in their trades. And I've learned a lot. And the best thing that I learned here is to, of course, keep your emotions out of trading. And that's made me very profitable. And since basically the pandemic, of course, as well, it has been really... I mean, basically since the pandemic, I've been fully focused on trading. I've been fully focused on trading, and I've been, of course, what I personally think here is the more time you're going to put into towards it, and the more dedication and effort you're going to put into towards trading and analyzing the charts, the better your trades will be. So yeah, that's basically as well, paid off for me. Right now, I'm basically in a very minor position. I'm only, of course, in $3,000 profit. I took an extreme minor position, especially because I think it's too risky to trade the market right now. So yeah, I only do very minor trades here, because usually... yeah, I'm entering with way bigger ditches right now. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it took a very minor trade, but still, yeah, looking forward towards the gains. Yeah, so yeah, definitely think it's a good expose. How much do you got? I mean, do you have a lot of expose? How do you know? I am owning a little bit of expose. Yeah, I'm owning a little bit of it, but we'll be not talking about it here, because I don't talk about the coins that I'm owning in terms of altcoins, because guys, I don't know if you already know it, but I've been talking about it several times as well on my channel. Look at the rejection as well on Bitcoin on the 1 hourly candle. But I'm owning a lot of these stupid altcoins. I'm holding a lot of these minor cap altcoins, because I have made a lot of gains with it as well. But I'm not talking about it on YouTube, because it could be, of course... yeah, of course, give bad influence, and that's not a thing that I want to be doing here, because yes, it is very irresponsible, but I'm doing it only with 5 or 10% of my portfolio. It's the same like some people in the past had, let's say, a startup investment strategy to, let's say, invest in 10 startups, and one of these startups are going to give them, let's say, a 20 or 30x, and that's going to equal, of course, the gains that they're making with the losses that they're making with the different coins here. So basically, I'm doing the exact same here. I'm investing into 20 or 30 of these startup coins here, and I could be maybe making literally 100x from one of them, right? And that is already a very, very solid job here. So I'm hugely invested in a lot of these stupid altcoins, but yeah, they can be making me very severe gains here. So that's the reason why I'm doing so. Yeah, can you also talk Dutch? Yes, I'm from Netherlands, so I can for sure talk Dutch. But please don't spam. Kevco still trading? Yes, he's still trading, man. He is still trading. What exchange do you recommend younger than 18 years old? I don't think I'm really able to say that. But I mean, let me see. I don't really exactly know here, because the time that I was trading Bitcoin, because I was as well below 18 then, I never had to use KYC. 2019 really KYC really came up, and then of course I was already 18. So no, I don't know exactly, man. I've not really did my research about that one, but of course it's also not necessarily for me to do research about that one. So please don't spam in the chat here, otherwise I will be blocking you. Ethereum price prediction. Do you want to be seeing price prediction for the immediate short term, or do you want to be hearing a price prediction for the end of the year? Because personally, I do think end of the year, I will be going with for $6,000 to $8,000 around that range over there. But immediate short term, I do think we could be cooling off ever so slightly before really seeing these targets getting reached there. So yeah, definitely looking forward towards, and especially the next run up. I can't wait, guys. I can't wait. Let me see. So what do you think Bitcoin in September? I mean, guys, if we're looking back to previous months in September, and let me see if I can get it in front of the screen real quickly. I think if it's on this screen, no. Let me see. Bitcoin, yeah, if we're looking back towards in September, let me see, September. Let me enable only September. So if we're looking back to September, and let me set it on monthly, September. So 2021 is right now plus 9% here. And if we're looking back to the past, usually the last 4 years, September was a red month here. So in 2017, September was giving us a 7.4% correction. Let me see if you guys can see it as well. Yeah, you guys can clearly see it. So 2018 it was 5.5% correction. In 2019 it was 14%, 13.3% approximately. In 2020 it was minus 7.5%. So what do I expect for September? If I'm looking back to historical price action, guys, September is a more bearish month than bullish month. So yeah, generally speaking, I want to be getting a little bit more bearish. Of course, we know July is an extreme bullish month here, and you can saw that was playing out as well here. And as well for October, guys, I will be extremely bullish. October is generally a very bullish month here. You can see 2013, 60%, 2014, only the real significant correction we got over there. So 2015, 2016, 2017, 2019, and 2020 was extremely bullish in October. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards October. Someone is as well talking Ethereum 1 week bearish divergence. I already discussed that one. Of course, that was a very clear divergence that we were getting. In the meantime, Bitcoin flipping it right here, getting rejected by this level of resistance. Pretty interesting. But yeah, September is just a red month for me. September is going to be a red month. Maybe not very significantly. I mean, only 2 to 4% maybe, or maybe only to 5%. But I do expect to see September not very strong for Bitcoin, because January is a very bearish month. So I do expect October then to be very bullish, and November and December as well, because always near the end of the year, especially in the cycle that we are in, you are seeing the market really picking up again. So definitely looking forward towards it. And someone is talking about Rover CME gap getting filled on the 50.7k. I don't really believe in CME gaps, man. Because if we're going to talk about CME gaps that have to be getting filled here, we have to go back to 9k here. And I don't think we're going to go back to 9k. I mean, I don't think it will be not happening. I will be already telling you. So, guys, for all the people that just tuned in as well here, I see as well we're about to reach the 56.9k here. Will be truly amazing if you can smash it up right now here, if you want to be supporting the channel. In the meantime, Bitcoin correcting a little bit further. Pretty interesting, of course. I would love to see still Bitcoin reaching the 50.6k on this 4-hourly candle, of course. Someone is talking about GME going up here. Let me quickly look at GME for all the regular traders out there as well here. Is the pre still going up once again? I think GME is once again moving up. Yeah, pretty significantly. So yeah, pretty interesting GME. Let me know who's in GME as well here. I know AMC started to move up once again here. I know I bought into AMC around the $3 to $6 range here, so that was pretty crazy that we were of course able to get the opportunity over there. I was of course informed by a few friends of mine, but yeah, I've already got out of AMC, so yeah, pretty interesting for the ones that are also in classic stocks here. So classic stocks, of course, I like them. Some of them, of course, these meme stocks, etc. I think you can be making huge gains with it. So definitely very exciting. But let's get back for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, of course, still parallel channel towards the upside. So yeah, 4-hourly trend is still basic towards the upside, guys. So yeah, 1-hourly trend is shifting bearish right now, but 4-hour is still pretty neutral to bullish. Let me see what the chat is saying. 88 predictions. I've been predicting that we're most likely going to see the $2.30 getting reached here before really starting to move up once again here as well. If you're looking to Cardano, guys, I don't know if you guys were really paying attention towards this one. But you were seeing as well rising wedge getting created here on Cardano. This rising wedge with a perfect retest over here. And this perfect retest, of course, lead towards an approximately 15% correction already. If you're going to look at the price chart of this rising wedge, you're going to see the $2.50 getting reached here. So we're about to reach that level as well. So yeah, looking forward towards if we could be reaching that target. Definitely think we could be seeing the target getting reached anytime soon here. So looking forward towards if we can be doing so. As well, guys, make sure, for all the people out there right now here, if you haven't already signed up with BYBIT, make sure to find the link in the description right now here, because you could be literally, just like me, make huge gains on BYBIT. If you're going to sign up right now here, you will be first of all get a $3,000 deposit bonus, and this is the highest deposit bonus that has ever been available in Bitcoin in the crypto history. So make sure to already sign up here with BYBIT in the link description. Will be highly appreciated if you're going to do so. And of course, guys, you could be make some very good trades here. Right now, of course, I will be announcing the next trade that I will be taking here on my Twitter page. So as well, if you're going to sign up with BYBIT and follow me on Twitter and subscribe to this channel, you're not going to miss out on any of these trades that we're going to take here. Because yes, I will be looking for huge long positions. Because guys, I've already announced it. I will be building up one of my biggest positions ever in history on Bitcoin, if we're going to be able to retrace Bitcoin a little bit further. I will be looking, of course, I will be building up my biggest position ever in Bitcoin if we're going to see retracing towards the 47k. Of course, I'm not saying that we're going to see that necessarily. I do expect it in the end of the day. But if we're going to go back towards that level, I will be trying to build up a position towards the, let's say maybe, yeah, I will be first of all starting a training challenge with you guys, 1 to 2 Bitcoins challenge. After that, I will be as well trying to build up a position of maybe approximately 1 million US dollars. So looking forward towards that. I've never been building up such a big position, but I will be using my my swing trade strategy, and I will be explaining it to you guys on my channel as well here. So if you want to be, of course, joining us with these new trades that we're going to take here, because guys, the opportunities will be running up sky high. If we're right now going to see a very severe correction, the opportunities will become sky high. I can already tell you there are going to be major opportunities to make extreme amounts of gains here, because I will be building up such a big swing trade position to try to catch the Bitcoin new all-time high long here. So yeah, looking forward towards that. But first, we have to be seeing at least a minor correction in the market before I can be building up this correction. Because for me, it's going to be very important to manage my risk here. And I will be only starting to accumulate. I will be only starting to accumulate this position if I'm going to see, of course, an opportunity to be there, of course. So make sure that you're already going to hit that follow button towards us, and we're going to for sure build up the biggest position, at least for me, of course, not on YouTube, because there are probably people that have way bigger position here on YouTube, but I'm looking forward towards doing that, of course. So definitely looking forward towards it. Someone's asking, why is crypto going down here? Because too many people are in profit. That's the reason, man. We have to shake out weekends as well. Early today, I was doing a retweet here. Look at this. Supply and profits. Approximately 16.5 million Bitcoin right now in profit. That's pretty high, to be honest. The more accounts that are going to be in profit, the more shakeouts we're probably going to get, right? So yeah, have to be careful. We have to be shaking out some weekends. So the people that just bought above the $51,000 range towards $53,000, we have to shake them out real quickly. We have to, these FOMOers who just bought in towards the market, the FOMOers who bought the 60K, sold the 30K, and right now bought once again above the 50K, are going to right now sell once again if we're going to go towards the 50K. So it's going to be necessary for a market to, for Bitcoin at least, because not everyone could be making these big gains here. So let me see. BNB analysis, please. So let me talk a little bit about BNB. BNB almost trading on $500, of course, corrected ever so slightly, cooled off as well. I definitely think BNB was a huge hype before. I definitely think we could be getting back here, and I have been as well saying to everyone, BNB is a coin that you're going to hold, because BNB is the coin of the biggest exchange out there. And I believe in the future. I believe in the development of BNB as well. So yeah, looking definitely forward towards where BNB is going to end, of course. Definitely it has way more potential right now. But still, you can see first of all over here, BNB forming a daily upper sloping support line. Beautiful upper sloping support line getting created over here. This could be for sure helping BNB to maybe hold on towards the line and maybe push up again. But as soon as BNB is going to close its daily candle below the support line, yeah, we could be maybe see a minor cool period. And the main thing that's going to be important here is Bitcoin, because yeah, as long as Bitcoin is going to move up, it's going to be BNB that's going to follow. But as well, you can see over here, major level of previous support and resistance right now getting reached here. We have to be breaking through this zone over here in order to see BNB flip absolutely bullish. I personally want to be seeing BNB closing in the daily candle above this orange box here, because this is basically major previous support, and this is going to be right now providing major resistance like you can currently see here. So definitely looking forward to see how BNB is going to react towards it. Bitcoin in the meantime, even moving a little bit more down here, guys. Like I already told you, if Bitcoin is going to reach the 50.7K here, I will be taking some profits on my current trade here. I will be probably taking 15 to 20% out of it to at least lock in some profits over there. But yeah, I would love to, of course, see this move and this swing towards the downside getting created here for Bitcoin. This rising wedge, excuse me, this was not my thing that I was trying to do. I have to set this back real quickly, this line, but I will be for sure trying to catch this a swing towards the downside towards the 49.7K, because this is basically the target of the rising wedge here. So looking forward towards it. Definitely can't wait, of course. But BNB, of course, we could be looking for a retracement if Bitcoin is going to fall as well. Major accumulation going to be at least at this green box over here, because this is, of course, previous very strong resistance and support, and resistance and support. And if we're going to see a retracement back towards this level, that means that you are going to, of course, have a huge zone of accumulation for BNB. You could be making some very severe good gains here. As well, a different level of previous very strong support is going to be around the $430 US. If we're going to ever see a retracement back towards this level, this would be my first accumulation zone for BNB. Because, guys, the opportunity that we can be getting right now here is that the market is going to move down. And if BNB is going to be able to move down towards this level, you don't want to be looking at a bad way. No, guys, you want to be looking at it a positive way. Because if we're going to move down towards that level, it is going to mean that you're having another opportunity to buy more crypto. And you want, at least I want to have that opportunity. I mean, I already have quite a lot of crypto, of course. I mean, I don't even have a single euro on my, okay, I do have some euros on my bank account, but almost all my capital, all my my net worth is 80 to 90% is in crypto, a little bit in the silver and gold as well. But yeah, I would love to see market increase. Of course, I have a lot of tether right now, like I told everyone before. But I would love to see the market moving down here, because then I can use my tether and USDC to buy back into BNB. So yeah, make sure I would love to see this opportunity getting created here. Definitely can't wait to see it. It's going to be all down to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is going to hold on, it's going to be BNB that's going to hold on as well here. But we are running into towards critical resistance, guys. Definitely very important. Someone is saying Ethereum to the moon. Of course, Ethereum is definitely going to the moon. But the question is when. Because the real question is when here. Because yeah, I love Ethereum. You expect to see Ethereum as well increase very significantly and severely. But maybe we have to be a little bit more patient before we're going to reach it. So let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is moving down and correcting ever so slightly once again here, guys. Let me see. A lot of questions about certain altcoins, guys. We'll be going over the altcoin request in a second once again. Will be highly appreciated, guys, if you're right, going to smash the like button here. We currently have 400 likes on the stream here. Will be truly amazing if you can smash it up all. Right now, it's only taking a few seconds of your time. You will be supporting the whole cryptocurrency space out there. And Bitcoin, in the meantime, guys, moving down very quickly. My exchange was not loading up here. And you guys are saying Bitcoin is dumping. Guys, please don't call this necessarily a dump here. This is really almost my zone that I will be taking some profits on Bitcoin. This is going to be as well a major level for Bitcoin to hold on towards. Because as you can see over here, rejected, and as soon as we were breaking above it, we of course saw a retest, and that was really kickstarting this move towards the upside. So yeah, looking forward towards it. You guys are really talking about Bitcoin. Of course, we have been already set our target over here. Definitely can't wait to see this target getting reached here. Yeah, right now approximately 3.4k in profit on Bitcoin, and let's see if we could be reacting to this right now here. Bitcoin 50.9k, guys, moving down very quickly. 50.7k is going to be 10% take profit for me, and of course stop loss at least in profit. So let me do this real quickly. So like this, I will be at least putting my stop loss in profit over here. So yeah, Bitcoin moving down very quickly right now. And maybe I could even, keep this trade as my swing trade position towards the downside. Because if I caught this swing trade, I mean, it was definitely very worth to see this. Let me see. XRP, please. I will be going over XRP in a second once again. Oh, and Bitcoin getting huge sell orders right now, guys. We are moving down very quickly. Guys, this is, of course, very scary to see. And let's see how Ethereum is reacting towards this as well. Bitcoin 50.7k, guys. If we're not going to be able to hold on towards the support line, I will be getting very worried. So my target is still standing. 49.7k is going to be the target for this Bitcoin rising wedge here. Rising wedge, typical bearish bias pattern, and Bitcoin moving down even further. 50.6k right now even, and it's going to be very important where this one hourly candle will be closing. Is, guys, I will be keeping my eyes out on and the Bitcoin squeezes right now. What is currently getting created here? $35 million in the past hour already for Bitcoin. Let's see how this will be reacting. Probably a lot of longs will be getting wrecked here. Guys, we were just seeing as well that a lot of people were opening new long positions. Well, right now, the market is, of course, still moving down. This will be resulting in maybe a very significantly long squeeze here. So yeah, I will be taking some profits out of my trade right now here. Made already very solid $4,000. I will be closing 10% of my trade right now to take some profits out, of course. So I successfully already took profits on this one. Definitely lovely to see her. So yeah, stop loss as well in profit here. Definitely can't wait to see where I could be riding the short position towards. Always important to look in some profits, guys. And let's see what Bitcoin is going to do. This one hourly candle is going to be very important where it is going to close, of course, guys. If we're going to be able to close this one hourly candle still above this orange box, I will be still remain a little bit Yeah, I will be still looking forward to maybe a minor bounce, but I don't expect to see a very strong bounce right now here, since there's more and more sellers coming in here. And someone is asking me, why did you have not been showing your trade? I've been saying it several times on my page here. I will be not sharing trades for the coming 2 weeks here, probably, because I think the market is looking too risky, and I only want to be giving low risk setups, because risk management is all you have to be, yeah, this is all you need, of course, while trading, of course. So yeah, of course, more trade setups are coming in the future. In the meantime, Ethereum almost trading below the $3,700 guys. Ethereum absolutely correcting very significantly right now, of course. Let's see where we are going to head towards for Ethereum. This is going to be very important to keep your eyes out on right now here. I'm a very happy person, at least, to see this correction coming in here, because I have been really, of course, sold all my, most amount of my Ethereum on the $4,000 range. I definitely was, yeah, couldn't wait for this correction. And right now, I love to see it, because first of all, I'm gaining my portfolio, I'm gaining more coins. And at the end of the day here, my end goal strategy here is to accumulate the most amount of cryptocurrencies, not dollars. Because, yeah, in the end of the day, I want to be having the most amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and not the most amount of US dollars, right? So definitely crushing the market. And right now, finally, my call is coming out as well. So yeah, definitely lovely to see her. Tied all my stop loss 2 hours ago. Good stuff. I mean, very important. And I have been warning everyone about it already. We were seeing a momentum divergence. I mean, guys, you can literally, I'll go back on my Twitter page and make sure to hit the follow button right there, right now, right there on my Twitter page, because I have been warning you guys about it. Have been saying it over here. Will Bitcoin hold the support, of course, over here? Bitcoin faking out and of the rising wedge, of course, first of all. And I was warning you guys about the open interest over here, that we want to be getting cautious. And I was saying over here, Bitcoin just retested the previous previous resistance as support. I will be definitely not trade this, since we are seeing several indicators telling us that bearish momentum is incoming. So for my risk management strategy, I should definitely not trade along right now. So that was, of course, a very good call that we made here to you guys. Definitely lovely to see. I took some profits. I mean, I already took profits out of the market, especially on Ethereum. Lovely to see Ethereum, of course, decrease right now here. But I mean, is it smart to take profits right now here after such a significant correction? I don't know exactly. I did took profits on $4,000 because it was, in terms of my strategy, a better place to take some profits. But right now, I would definitely doubt it if it's really worth it, to be honest. Keep doing the Twitter stuff here, guys. I mean, I love it. I mean, previously, let's say 2 months ago, I was not really into Twitter, but right now I'm really into Twitter because I can keep you guys up to date the whole day, right? So on YouTube, I'm not able to do live stream the whole day, but on Twitter, I am able to be keeping you guys up to date every single minute. So yeah, make sure to follow me. Good stuff over there at RoverCRC. Definitely worth to check it out. Let me see. Bro, take profits and definitely, man. Correction for a bigger all-time high. I mean, guys, a correction is necessary to create a new all-time high. If you don't believe me, look at first of all the structure in 2021 here, and second of all, it's going to be necessary. It's going to be necessary. It's going to be very, very important to see a correction in the market, because otherwise we are not going to see new all-time high. Because not everyone can get crypto rich here, guys. Not everyone. Only the strong hands can become crypto rich. Let me see. Correction targets for Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum could be suffering very significantly if we're going to see correction. I've been already talking about it. My major targets for Ethereum to accumulate, at least, is going to be, first of all, the $3,530. My second target is going to be the $3,432. And my third target is going to be this orange box of support. And that's, of course, the $3,335. So yes, I'm very glad I took profits on the $4,000. I'm very glad I have been announcing it as well to you guys all out there. And I'm very glad that you guys are appreciating it as well here. We also build up a huge Ethereum long position, or only on Bitcoin? I will be only doing it on Bitcoin, since I think Bitcoin has a lower risk trading. For Bitcoin is lower risk to trade. And Ethereum will be bottoming out as soon as Bitcoin bottoms out. So yeah, for me, it is smarter to trade only Bitcoin with the next swing trade towards the upside. So yeah, Ethereum could give me maybe bigger returns, but it's also higher risk. So yeah, you have to be saying, I'll be building up my biggest position ever. It's going to be as well very important to of course have as well low risk. So that's definitely important. So how about cake? I love cake, man. I love PancakeSwap. The coin, of course. How about cake? Let me take a quick look at cake here for you guys. Real quick look. I mean, it has been not really able to, of course, set a new all-time high just like some other coins are doing. It is correcting ever so slightly. I've been buying up some cake around the May zone, the May to August zone. But it has been not really showing us the same amount of strength as other coins. I still think, yeah, it could be, of course, give us very strong returns. Looking at, oh, we're having some lag issues, guys. Is everything okay? Someone is saying we are having lag issues. Everything should be still working if I look at my stats right now on my second screen over here. Guys, let me know if everything is still working. Let me know if everything is still working. But yeah, cake. I mean, I'm just holding cake, man. I've not took profits on cake yet here. Cake is just holding, man. Is the whole crash? Is the whole market crashing right now? I mean, I don't really call this a crash, man. We've been only seen approximately 4% correction. If you can't handle this heat, you want to be getting careful because crash is maybe 10 to 15%. But I've been as well calling that we are going to see a 10 to 20% correction for the market before we're going to see a new all-time high. And maybe it's going to happen right now here. This means that we can be seeing a retracement back towards the $45,000 and it could be for sure happening. So would love to see how that's going to play out here. And as well with my trade, because I will be trying to catch this swing towards the downside. And as soon as the swing towards the downside is done, I will be catching a new long position. And I will be building up a huge long position for everyone who missed out of it. I will be building up my biggest long swing trade position ever on Bitcoin. So guys, if you want to be finding out and if you want to be joining me with this new swing trade position towards the upside that I will be opening, and I will be completely transparent to you guys like I always am, because I always share all my trades, etc. If you want to be joining me with that major swing trade position, I will be building up in a few days and weeks from now on, because I will be only start to build up that new long swing trade position if we're going to see a little bit more of a significant correction. And if you're going to join me, yeah, you're absolutely going to crush the market, first of all, because I will be showing you my strategy that I use to build up strong swing trade positions. Of course, you need a little bit of capital, and you have to be, of course, very dedicated on your strategy. And the reason and the thing how you can be very profitable here is to keep on your strategy. So it's going to be very important to stick to the strategy. That is definitely going to be worth it. So first of all, if you want to be joining me with that trade here, make sure to right away hit that subscribe button on this channel. Make sure there are 3 steps that you have to how you can be joining these trades here, and how you can be staying up to date here. First of all, smash up the like button on this video. I mean, that's not even necessary, but it will be highly appreciated. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell notification so you're not going to miss out on the update videos. Second of all, sign in with BYBIT in the link in the description, because we're going to build up the swing trade position on BYBIT. And the third step is to follow me on Twitter at RoverCRC, so you're not going to miss out on these updates, because we're giving all these updates here, of course, on Twitter as well as on YouTube. And of course, sometimes the updates on my trades, I'm giving them on Twitter, because making a 1-minute video on YouTube is not very nice, right? Because otherwise you're getting spammed with these notifications, and it's definitely not worth it. So super Max, indeed, man. Max Verstappen did an amazing job, man. I'm very proud to be Dutch. I'm very proud to be Dutch. So, no lag here. That's nice. Let me see. Ethereum correction towards the $3,000 the possible. I think $3,000 is going to be a little bit too severe of a correction, in my opinion. But for sure, it's not out of the books. But in my opinion, that is, yeah, the 25% correction is a little bit too high. 30% correction, I think it's too high. I rather would be saying a 10 to 20% correction for Ethereum, in order to, of course, create this next leg up towards a new all-time high. So, yeah, definitely looking forward towards the opportunity. It will be, of course, textbook if we're going to see a retrace towards this level and then move up here. I mean, it will be very textbook to open a long position over there. It's going to be low risk, high reward, and that is the things that we would love to see, of course, in the market. So, guys, another 5 minutes away before closing the 1 hourly candle on Bitcoin. Guys, let me know what you guys currently think of this candle on Bitcoin. We're creating a huge wick on the lower side. We're still getting supported by the orange box. Like I told everyone before, this is going to be a major level of support. And if we're going to fail to hold on towards this level, my 49.7k target is going to be imminent. That is for sure true. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on Bitcoin right now here. It's going to be very important. And for all the people out there, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now here. It's going to be truly amazing if you're going to do so. Guys, literally, we're 4 subscribers away from the 46.9k subscribers. So make sure that you're going to smash up the subscribe button right now. It will be highly appreciated if you're going to do so. And we could be maybe even reach the 57,000 subscribers today here. It will be truly amazing. And we're going to, of course, discuss the Bitcoin price way longer, guys. Let me know for how long I should be live here. Should I be live the whole day? Maybe I'm going to even do it. Maybe I'm going to just order some food and be live for another 2 or 3 hours from here on. So it would be amazing. You're living in Dubai right now. I am in Dubai right now. I live here for another month here. I'm just going to hop around everywhere. So I don't know exactly where I'm going to live here. I'm just living everywhere all over the world. And guys, by the way, for you guys out there, quickly doing some self-promotion here. I'm so sorry. But if for you guys out there want to be finding out about what I do in my personal life, etc., make sure to go to Instagram, because I'm posting a lot of things on Instagram as well, guys. Posting a lot of live stuff, etc. And if you want to be following me here on Instagram, it is at CryptoRoverYT. There are a lot of scammers over here, so please be careful. And you could be already following me over here if you want to be seeing what I'm doing here in my life, all kinds of lifestyle stuff, etc. So as well, a lot of crypto stories I make here. So yeah, if you're still interested in crypto, I should be. I would suggest follow me over there at CryptoRoverYT here. So it's going to be truly amazing if you're going to follow me over there, since I want to be reaching the 10,000 followers. Because then I can do these swipe up videos, etc. So I can link my videos. So it will be truly amazing if you can hit that follow button over there. And you could be for sure as well, send me a direct message, a DM over here, because I try to reach a lot of them if I have, let's say, some spare time. So yeah, it's going to be amazing if you're going to hit the follow button over there. We're in Dubai. Can you talk German? I'm not really. I can talk a little bit German indeed, but I'm not German, of course. I'm from the Netherlands. So let me see. Do I have to sell all my altcoins, or should I just hold? I mean, I can't answer the question, man. I am not a financial advisor, and I can definitely not say that to you. But I've been already, I mean, my personal opinion, I have been sending a lot of my altcoins around the Ethereum 4K range here, Bitcoin 50 to 52,000 US dollar range, and of course Cardano on the $3 US dollar range here, and as well Chainlink on the 34 US dollar. So yes, I personally have been taking a lot of profits. And guys, look at this correction. We are almost seeing our price target getting reached for Cardano, guys. I'm so glad I did took profits over there. I mean, I feel very, very, very pleased right now with these decisions that I made here. Rover with the heat, absolutely amazing, guys. I mean, everyone called me crazy that I sold my Cardano on $3. I get a lot of dislikes from people that were saying, Rover, you're stupid, you're selling Cardano on $3. It's going to $10. Guys, please, think straight. Think straight, man. I mean, usually the best opinion is not the most popular opinion, and that is exactly what we are seeing once again here. I mean, I'm usually the unpopular person, but I'm usually the most profitable person. So of course, taking profits on daily timeframes, taking profits based off on 4-hour and daily timeframes, usually tend to take some time, and you see it pays off. Patience pays off. Like always, guys, patience is key in crypto. So yeah, hopefully you're going to learn something of it, and yeah, definitely looking forward towards it. What's someone saying? A little $10. Yeah, people are saying that literally to me, man. I'm not even kidding. So, come to Slovenia. I'm going to go there because I have some friends living there, and I'm going there for sure, man. As well, Romania, etc. So probably near the end of the year. Not near the end of the year. Next year probably, because this year I still have some busy things to do here. At least have to go to America. I have to go back to the Netherlands, Spain. Probably I'm going to settle in Spain as well, or in Dubai over here. So yeah, definitely looking forward towards it. So Rover, you sound way older than me, than 21 years old here. I mean, everyone has their own lifestyle, right? Some people for 21 years, I'm not even 21, I'm almost 21. But a lot of people that are my age are only partying, only doing parties, etc., and they're getting wasted or whatsoever. But for me, I've set some different things in my life what is going to be important for me, because you have to be pointing a few things out for yourself, because the decisions what you make and the wealth you create, you are creating your wealth yourself, right? So you have to be putting all your dedication towards certain things here as well. My dedication is crypto and trading. It's pure dedication. So please, I mean, it's possible for everyone. The internet is full with possibilities, and crypto is the big possibility of the internet, right? So definitely worth to check out here. Bitcoin about to close this 1 hourly candle, guys. Could be talking about some more stuff as well here. Why do you move to Dubai? I can't really answer the question here on camera. 50.9k, guys. 40 seconds. 40 seconds before this close. Cardano crash targets. What range buying again? I've been answering this question already several times, guys. Make sure to go back in the stream as well here, because I've been discussing Cardano quite a long time here. But to quickly answer all the people wondering about Cardano, $2.30 is going to be my accumulation zone. First of all, if you're setting up a Fibonacci, swing high to swing low, swing low towards swing high. You can see here, golden pocket entry is the $2.30. and that as well comes together with the previous all-time high. So this is going to be my accumulation zone for Cardano at least. So Bitcoin closed a new 1 hourly candle, guys. I do think that we have been not seeing a very strong candle close here. We're still trading in this orange box here, so we could be still seeing a very strong bounce from this level. But still, if you're looking at it, 1 hourly still has some room to correct even further. We're clearly in a downtrend right now, guys. We have been clearly forming a lower low over here. We're clearly, if we're going to bounce back towards the upside, maybe going to visit this orange level once again here. Orange level of horizontal resistance. This is going to be resulting in, of course, another very severe correction. So, yeah, make sure that you're going to keep your attention on. And guys, by the way, I just refreshed my page here on my second screen, and I see we reached the 456.9k subscribers. So, guys, let's see if we can reach the 57,000 subscribers today here. It will be truly amazing if we can do so, guys. It will be truly amazing if we can do so. And of course, as well, ring the bell notification in the meantime if you just hit the subscribe button as well here. Because, guys, literally yesterday, we dropped a video about this pattern where we are right now breaking down of. So you're not going to miss out on these important update videos, guys. Make sure to smash out the likes here. We'll be highly appreciated. So let's see what Bitcoin is going to do on the next 1 hourly close. In the meantime, guys, let me as well talk a little bit about the Bitcoin dominance, guys. This is a thing that we have been not discussing yet here. The Bitcoin dominance. You can see Bitcoin dominance starts to move up ever so slightly. The reason why here is because Bitcoin is correcting. And always once Bitcoin is going to correct, altcoins are going to suffer harder. So that is, of course, why I was more into taking profits on altcoins rather than Bitcoin, of course. So yeah, you can see Cardano is right now falling very hard behind Ethereum, and of course Ethereum is a huge altcoin. So definitely very interesting to see here. My price target of this rising wedge breakdown was 39.9% here in the Bitcoin dominance. We have been not reaching this target, but we were so close that I can call this maybe price target getting reached here, and that we could be maybe see the Bitcoin dominance moving up ever so slightly, resulting in the altcoins losing a little bit of ground over here. So it's going to be very important to pay our attention towards right now. As well, Alex, donating to the channel here. Yeah, highly appreciate that you're supporting the channel right now here, man. You're saying, morning, brother. Good morning, first of all. Can you have a look at Litecoin plus MWEB? Alts up at all. No alts up at all, indeed. That's true, man. So let me look at Litecoin here. I know Litecoin has been moving up ever so slightly, but probably since Bitcoin is right now correcting, it is taking a pretty significant hit here. And basically, let me remove some of these drawings here. Let me remove some of these drawings. You can see this blue box has been providing very strong support, but I will be moving it then ever so slightly to this lane. Level over here. But you can see over here, Litecoin not at all performed very well here, guys. Some altcoins are already above their previous all-time high. Bitcoin, it was, of course, 17% away from its all-time high, and Litecoin was away 46% of it. So, and personally, this is not even the all-time high, to be honest, because, yeah, you can see over here, it was the all-time high, excuse me, it was the all-time high. But yeah, Litecoin is lacking 50% away from its previous local high here. Is not nice to see at all. So, I see, first of all, Litecoin is not a good investment, in my opinion. It is not a good investment at all. And I definitely don't think that you're going to make the most amount of gains with it. And once again, if it's going to correct, it's going to probably correct harder than different altcoins. So please be careful with holding Litecoin. I don't think it's the best asset right now. As well, you could be maybe look at very strong support right now getting found. You can see over here, resistance getting found, resistance, and flipping into support right now, most likely. So that's, of course, a good thing to see here. As well, if you're going to look at the Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, you can see as well it comes together with the 0.236 in the Fibonacci. Yeah, we could be for sure find some very strong support on this level. If we are going to fail to hold on towards the level, guys, if Litecoin is going to fail towards, yeah, if Litecoin is going to fail to hold on towards the 0.236 here, yeah, we're most likely going back towards the golden pocket entry, and you're going to see it's getting, of course, a very strong bounce from that level. So yeah, $183 is going to be for me an accumulation zone. And right now, I should be getting a little bit careful. Litecoin could be maybe, you could be maybe saying Litecoin is undervalued. I mean, the transactions are very cheap on Litecoin, but the use case is getting fade away ever so slightly, every longer. So yeah, should be still be very careful with Litecoin. Look at the weekly time frame, guys. Does this look like an uptrend right now on the Litecoin compared to Ethereum chart? I do see that Ethereum is only taking more and more value out of Litecoin. So yeah, there could be, of course, a very significant bounce, and then maybe something like this. But in the end of the day, I do think that Ethereum is a better investment than Litecoin right now, as well. I'm going to compare Litecoin compared to Bitcoin. You can see as well, it is moving down all the way here. So yeah, definitely Litecoin is in a downtrend. Yes, for sure. We could be seeing some spikes towards the upside, but I don't think that Litecoin is the best investment that you can be making right now here, because it's clearly been in a downtrend. So very important to pay your attention towards this, of course. Best coin to do at 2x in a day. You should be looking at these BSC coins. Of course, it's also very high risk here, but you could be making some very severe gains with it, of course. Bitcoin 1 hourly close below the daily Fib golden pocket. What should be the next move here? So that's very important to look at. Let me as well set up a Fib for Bitcoin. I mean, if we're already going to look at the Bitcoin correction, I will be as well talking about some Fibonacci levels. So as well, Alex donating to the channel here. I will be going into the coin in a second here. Litecoin 331.10 privacy futures is coming out. Yeah, that could be having a positive influence on the market. But Alex, still, if Bitcoin is going to move down, it's going to be Litecoin that's not going to increase in value. So that's important to pay our attention towards. But let me go into that other coin in a second here. That you requested me, of course. So please don't spam in the chat, by the way. No, I appreciate it. I would love to see some tutorials from you. We'll be going into the tutorials in a sec. I will be loving to make some tutorials, of course, on the market. Give me a sec. Take a Fibonacci from all-time high. Yeah, I could be as well do so. If you're looking at Fibonacci from all-time high like this, I mean, I've been looking at this one. You can see, yeah, we are trading below on the 1 hourly candles, probably of this zone. Yeah, we are trading on below this level right now. And you can see this level provided us very strong support in resistance in the past. This is very, very nice. Thank you so much for the heads up here, of course. Previous resistance, previous support, right now providing resistance once again here. So yeah, this is generally looking very bad, to be honest. Of course, you can see the importance of this level. The daily time frame having struggles to break through this level, as well in the 1 hourly candles. We have been seeing huge amounts of rejections by this level, and you can see right now that we're trading below it, and we're getting rejected. So is it looking bearish? Yes, it is looking bearish. It is looking bearish. Yikes, Red Bull. Yeah, of course, I'm supporting the team. Of course, it's sugar-free because I'm really on diet, but as well have to, I need the energy, of course, to do these streams, and as well to do the charting the whole day, because you probably don't think it, because I'm sitting on a chair the whole day. But it is very intense. It's very intense for training sessions, etc. It's taking a lot of energy from you. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm supporting Max Verstappen, of course. So yeah, you can see Bitcoin trading below this level. Pretty interesting what we're seeing here. Better drink water, bro. Yeah, I drink a lot of water, but this is literally the first one I have been drinking here in 4 weeks or so. So usually I only drink water, but this is the first energy drink I've drunk in 4 months or 4 weeks or so. I don't do it very often. I bought 2 of them sugar-free, so I thought, well, yeah, why not here? Maybe if I need some energy in the stream. So, good books to learn to. Yeah, guys, give me a second. Give me a second. I have literally a book over here. I've already, yeah. Maybe I will be just giving away this book because I've already read it myself. And it's pretty interesting to check out here. Maybe I will be just giving it away. I don't know yet here, but if we will be doing this giveaway here, guys, this is a very nice one that I could be doing here. I will be just sending this book to you guys. In this book, you find all these patterns. A lot of forex patterns. You learn about engulfing candles, etc. What candles, trend identification, how you can be spotting trend divergence, and how you can be spotting a trend momentum shift. But if you, I will be, not necessarily, I will be probably send a new one to you guys. And you can be winning it. And I will be doing a giveaway announcement anytime soon here. And I will be doing it here on Instagram. Because I want to be really grow my Instagram page here. So if you want to be maybe, yeah, be eligible to win this. Maybe I'm going to do 3 or 4 books. I don't know yet here. They're only a few dollars. Only $6 or $7. So I will be doing several books giveaway probably. Books are overrated. No, that's not true. Books are definitely not overrated. Books are underrated, in my opinion, because books are very important to develop your skills in life. So, yeah, definitely very important. So hit that follow button. First of all, on Crypto Rover, YT here. A lot of scammers. Please, I'm the only real one, but I will be giving this book away here. I don't know exactly if I will be announcing it today. Most likely I will. I will be as well putting in some requirements on it. And you can be as well find the book right now in the link description, guys. Link in the description, you can be as well. I linked this book here because it's really good. It's really good. Link in the description, you can be finding the book. So if you go through the description, I think if I say it correctly, it is in the link description. Let me quickly search with you guys. My favorite crypto books, I think. Yeah, here. Technical Analysis Master book here. It's over here. It's indeed in the link in the description. I'm not lying, guys. There are very valuable links in the description, man. I should be highly suggesting to check that out over here as well, guys. Let me see how far we are right now with subscriber count. Yeah, we are almost there, man. 57,000 subscribers. That's absolutely crazy. Yeah, Bitcoin getting rejected by this level, and I still had another request from someone that I still have to go in towards. It was MW. Let me go in towards it. Because you requested it, and I will be for sure going in towards it, my friend. I will be for sure going in towards it. But just need some time, of course. It's not on training view, my friend. Oh, sorry, that's the update for Litecoin, of course. That's true. Excuse me. That's the Litecoin update. So thank you so much for your support of the nation, of course. Rover, have you ever gone over Terra Luna? I've been going over that several times here. I'm not holding it anymore right now. But yeah, very curious how it's maybe right now performing. So let me go back into this chart. Quickly. That was a very chaotic chart. So yeah, you can see over here, we're getting rejected by the 1.618. Pretty interesting resistance level. 0.618, excuse me. So is this a bear market? No, guys, we're not in a bear market. But the whales want you to think we are in a bear market. That is exactly what I have been predicting on my video a week ago. I have been predicting the exact scenario what we're right now seeing here on this video, and as well the exact emotional reaction towards this, towards a correction in the market that everyone's going to call bear market. That is as well a thing that I have been discussing here. So yeah, we've been doing a very, very good job here. Definitely can't wait to see how we're going to end this. And guys, let me quickly check how much likes do we got on the stream. Guys, we got 520 likes here, guys. For all the people that have not been liking the video yet here, will be highly appreciated if you can smash out the like button right now here. Only take a few seconds of your time, and you will be helping me out and the whole cryptocurrency industry to get more people exposed towards it. And yeah, will be highly appreciated, guys. And as well, in the meantime, while you're smashing up the like button, you're as well in the link description. You could right now sign up as well with BYBIT here in the link description, guys. There are major opportunities laying around the corner. You could be taking major trades with me in the future. And right now, of course, I will be not, of course, announcing a trade right now live in the stream here, but I will be trying to do more, of course, if there are opportunities, trade live altogether. But if you want to be signing up here with BYBIT in the link description, you're going to join me with the next trades here, because, guys, in the future, I will be as well probably starting a copy trading platform. Not me, but some of my partners are starting a copy trading platform, so we could be doing that as well. So I'm looking forward towards that as well, because it's going to provide us huge opportunities, first of all. Second of all, if we're signing up with BYBIT right now here, you will be having the exact same digits as me here, and yeah, you will be able to crush the market just like me right now. So it will be highly appreciated if you're going to sign up with the link description right now. Huge opportunities laying around the corner, and you can definitely crush the market. So yeah, will be highly appreciated. So yeah, you will be as well getting, by the way, guys, what you could literally do right now here, and this is kind of a cheat, and I'm not really able to say this, but I mean, I am able to say this because I want to say whatever I want here. But what you can do right now here, if you're going to sign up with BYBIT in the link description, they have right now a deposit bonus of $3,000, and if you're signing up right now, you could be depositing some funds, and after you deposit the funds, you could be withdrawing the funds that you deposited, and you have a free $3,000 deposit bonus. So you have free money to trade with. And so yeah, I should highly suggest doing so. And if you're signing up with my link in the description, you have the highest deposit bonus. So definitely make sure to check it out right now here. It's a little bit of a glitch in the system, but you could be literally taking free $3,000 to trade with. So definitely worth to check it out. Make sure to already sign up in the link description. So Dan Smith, donating to the channel here. Could you as well check AXS? Let me go over that, man. Let me go right away over that one. I'm not really Access. Not really super familiar with the coin. Let me see. Has been spiking up very quickly. It has been setting all-time highs, but it is losing momentum. So yeah, we're seeing just like a lot of other coins, price increasing, momentum decreasing. It's likely to see a cool period getting started. This is basically my rule of thoughts here on the daily candles. So daily candles not looking strong. Yes, what we could be still seeing here is that's going to create another leg up here, but at the end of the day, we're going to see correction. So it's getting pretty overextended. It's going to cool off anytime soon here. Maybe it's going to see another leg up here, and if Bitcoin's going to correct right now, it's going to maybe visit lower targets before once again moving up. Because, yeah, I don't know exactly what the project is doing, so it's very hard to give my opinion about what my long-term vision is about this coin. But if I'm purely looking to the charts right now, I'm seeing a momentum loss getting generated, and this could be resulting in a correction. So it's very easy to say that. Let's see. Why would anyone give you $3,000? I mean, It's not anyone that you gives it gives to you guys. It's a bonus money that you're getting, and you will be only redeeming that money if you're of course making profits as well with it. But you have literally $3,000 what you could be trading with, and if you're making gains with the $3,000, you could be withdrawing it afterwards. So definitely very interesting to see here. ADA is pumping. Someone is saying ADA is pumping. Let me check it. Let me check it up. Let me see at Cardano what it is currently doing here. Is Cardano still not sitting that high, to be honest? Still $2.64 here. We're still a little bit away from our price target, at least on the 4 hourly candles. It was getting pretty oversold here. It has been moving up once again here. It's not necessarily pumping. It moved up 2% here after a 15% correction. That is also very likely to assume here. So that's not true. Fundamentals are, in my opinion, epic. I mean, Dan Smith, I really have to be looking towards it because I can't really base my opinion about it right now here. So guys, yeah, you guys really hitting that follow button as well on the Instagram page here. Truly amazing. If you want to be following me, would be amazing, of course, over there. And Bitcoin is well creating a minor wick right now on the top side as well. If we're going to still go back in towards the 1 hourly candles, we are failing to hold on towards this target over here. What's extremely important to see Bitcoin holding on, and we're not able to do so right now. If Bitcoin breaks the 50k, this will be resulting in a bigger correction. I mean, I totally agree with you. 50k is going to be the range that Bitcoin has to be holding on towards. Because if Bitcoin is going to fail to hold the 50k range, yeah, we are really going to go in towards this 10 to 15% correction phase. And I would love to see this. This correction coming. Because if this correction comes there, this will be meaning that we are going to be able to build up our big swing trade position, right? So looking forward towards that. Looking forward towards it at all times. And I definitely can't wait to see how big the opportunity will be here. So looking forward towards it. Definitely can't wait here. Definitely can't wait to see how this is going to end here for us right now. So looking forward towards it. Let me quickly, I'm doing some checkups on certain coins right now on my second screen, but everything is still looking fine here. Bitcoin still going sideways ever so slightly, creating a minor wick here on the top side. Let me see. And volume is as well picking up ever so slightly. Volume is cooling off right now here, so it looks to be not a lot of buying and selling going on here. Let me as well enable the volume once again. Let me see what the lower time frames are telling us right now. But yeah, very low volume on this candle, to be honest. Not a lot of action. So yeah, pretty interesting. No buying, selling going on around here. And let me as well enable CryptoCon. Let's see if we're going to see some very interesting on-chain data about certain things here. Let me see. So yeah, we of course know if we're looking to Bitcoin available on exchanges, that the reserves on the exchanges is of course cooling off here. It's beautiful to see in terms of the long-term commitment. Because this means basically that miners are not selling. So that's of course nice to know here, because then you have a good view about the coming days here. As well, guys, the higher the market is going to go here, the more likely miners are going to sell off. As well, you can see the thing that I'm getting a little bit worried about here is this one. Guys, this is of course important to look at. Let me quickly enable this chart here. Buying volume. Wait, let me search it up. I have to search up this chart real quickly, but I came up through this yesterday. I was doing some research on on-chain data, and oh yeah, here you can see it. So all exchanges buy volume here on the right side, and let me see if I can make it a little bigger. And it's very annoying because the screen is not really enabling the width here. So you can see it right now on the right side of my face here, right side of the screen. You can see the buy volume is not very high, right? Buy volume is not very high, and not as high as the previous run-up over here. So right now as well, what you can see here on the previous days here is that the buy volume basically, and I have to make it bigger, excuse me. But you can see basically the buy volume has been cooling off here. We have been seeing a decreasement in buying volume. Basically means here the buyers are getting exhausted. Very likely to see, you see that several times always playing out here. Right now as well, what you as well can see over here is that the selling volume is as well picking off right now. So basically the volume in the whole market is moving down here. So it is basically telling us that volatility is going to be imminent. Volatility is going to be imminent, guys, and we're going to see huge spikes in volatility anytime soon here. So make sure that you're going to be prepared for this. We're seeing the buying and selling volume cooling off here. Buyers are getting exhausted. It looks to be that we're seeing several bearish divergence playing out here, suggesting that we're going to see bearish momentum coming in towards the market. I have been clearly prepared for this next move for Bitcoin, and you should be, of course, as well. So yeah, pretty interesting what we're going to see here. Pretty interesting what we're seeing in terms of the on-chain data volume. Let me see. Short enabled. Take it easy. 54K tomorrow. And I mean, guys, I would love to see that. I would love to see it, but it is not smart, in my opinion. You always want to be staying realistic, right? And realistically seeing, the market is overextended. So Solar as well, donating 10 MX. I don't know exactly which currency that is, but thank you so much for supporting the channel, man. Always highly appreciate for everyone who is supporting the channel. It's always very nice, of course, guys, as well. Quickly, want to be asking for a favor. We're 16 likes away before reaching the 600 likes on the stream here, and we are right now live. Let me do a quick checkup. How long we are already live? Almost 2 hours, guys. It's crazy. But it will be highly appreciated right now if you could be smashing up the like button. Almost 600 likes will be highly appreciated. So, El Salvador price action 11 Pacific time. Are we going to notice? No, they airdropped. They airdropped it to all, so it will be only create sell pressure in my opinion, because airdrops always create sell pressure. So no, not necessarily bullish. Of course, it's good what they're doing. I love it. Good for the adoption. But airdrops generate sell pressure, so it's not necessarily good for the price action for Bitcoin. So let me see. Reddit, 3 million people buying $30 of Bitcoin. Outcome. I mean, a lot of people are saying about these certain things here, but usually, guys, these Reddit pumps or whatsoever, what happens with these pumps is before, let's say they're going to say 11 p.m. On the 7th of September, Central European time. What will be happening is that everyone's going to be buying before that time, because why should you buy right then? That makes no sense, because you want to be making gains, right? So what will be happening because of that is that on that time, there will be rather see a dump than a pump, because everyone already got into the market earlier and they're going to sell it on that moment. So yeah, make sure that you're prepared for these kinds of things here. So yeah, pretty interesting. Bitcoin 50.8K once again here. Pretty interesting to see as well. What is the price range you will be buying 88? Guys, I've been going over this several times there. My price range will be $2.30 for Cardano. $2.30. Definitely looking forward towards when we are going to reach this, of course. So, very exciting, of course. Very exciting, and definitely can't wait for it. Let me see. Interesting. It's interesting. $2.30 indeed. How is Dubai? It's crazy, man. Life is good. Life is very good, man. Smash it, guys. Will be amazing. The Bitcoin rally, Bitcoin has been really been very amazing in the recent days, indeed. Yeah, I mean, I think Cardano is good for accumulation over there. Basically, because several things coming together, right? You see the Fibonacci coming together with the previous all-time heights. For me, just a very strong level of support. So that's the reason why I will be approaching that level. That is the reason why we'll be approaching that level. So, looking forward towards it. Bro, your energy is amazing. Don't need a coffee when I watch your streams, lol. Yeah, man. I mean, that's what I mean. I love energy, man. Positive energy, of course, like always. But also realistic energy. XRP price prediction. It's very easy. What do you want to be hearing near the end of the year, or for the imminent short term? I mean, near the end of the year, I do still expect to see XRP really trading towards the $5. Even higher is possible. Because I do think XRP is the coin that's going to surprise everyone. I'm more bullish on XRP than different coins, because I still think it will be popping. So yeah, I'm pretty bullish on XRP. I've been buying up a lot of XRP, but I would love to see XRP decrease a little bit more right now, so it could be accumulate even more about it. Will you ever come to India in the future? For sure. I will be visiting every single country. I want to be seeing the world, right? So yeah, for sure. Rover, hey Rover, well, we have your live right now. Can you go to the different divergence for us? So yeah, I mean, we've been already talking about it. I mean, momentum divergence is basically my trading strategy. Everyone has their own trading strategy, of course. But I am a divergence trader. I like to trade on trend reversals. Right now, there has been a lot of manipulation on the market, so these trend reversals have been really getting ignored. In the pot, like over here, you were seeing a trend reversal. We move down, and then we start to move up again here. So that is unfortunate to see. But yeah, usually you're seeing these trend reversals playing out very severely, just like we're seeing right now here. So yeah, it's basically very easy to recognize trend reversals, but a lot of people are not paying their attention towards it. What you can basically see here, do we have charts for showing longs and short liquidations? Yeah, I will be going over it in a second, Carlo. But what you're basically seeing here for Bitcoin, it was very easy to catch such a significant move we were getting overextended. We were forming a higher high, lower high on the RSI, lower high here on the MACD, basically forming a double confirmation of an divergence. So it basically gave us an opinion. Okay, we are most likely going to see the market moving down. It's very easy to recognize, and these are also two of the most basic indicators, but two of the most profitable indicators to trade with. So it's not very hard to make up a strategy. This is my trading strategy. I look for certain levels of resistance and support to open my trade at. And in the meantime, I'm going to see, okay, is the market going to have another swing towards the upside or towards the downside? Right now, it's looking likely to see a swing towards the downside getting created here. So maybe, I'm not necessarily saying that we're going down in a straight line, but I do expect to see minor swing here towards the downside. So the reason is because we're seeing a trend reversal signal. So yes, well, let me go over real quickly the liquidations here. Okay, guys, the past hour, we got another $141 million getting wrecked here on the longs here. So please be careful with trading the market. Of course, like always, guys, I will always say to everyone, be careful with trading the market. You can see a lot of liquidations going around. Most amount of them right now in the past hour were Bitcoin. So please be careful. Please be careful with that. And let me as well see the funding rate, guys. I've been as well warning you guys about it. Let me quickly search up for the funding rate. The funding rate is probably moving down right now because a lot of longs were getting liquidated and a lot of longs were getting out of the market. So let me see what the predicted funding rate are. Okay, so the funding rate for Ethereum is going positive once again here. So if you're going open a trade on Ethereum, you're going to get paid every 8 hours, and you don't have to be paying to be in a position. So always once you have always, once you're getting paid to be in a position, is a good time to open a swing trade position or whatsoever. Right now, on these next coming 8 hours, we're still negative in a lot of these funding rates right now. So yeah, pretty important to keep your eyes out on right now here. So this basically means that there's going to be a lot of volatility in the markets, basically. But yeah, if we're talking about liquidations, there has been a huge amount of liquidation in the past 24 hours, guys. Look at this, $868 million were getting liquidated in the past 24 hours. This crazy amount is a crazy amount of liquidations. This crazy, man. And please don't spam in the chat, man. If you're spamming, you will be getting blocked out of there. So please don't spam in the chat. It's not highly appreciated. So otherwise you will be getting blocked, and that's of course not a thing that we want, of course. So let me as well move on towards something else here real quickly. Let me look in towards a chart that is telling us how much liquidation we are, how much bitfinex longs or shorts are going out of the market. So yeah, you can see today we got a lot of longs as well out of the market as well. Shorts probably still decreasing, so that's nice to see here. The less shorts in the market, the better my short will be going, because I don't like to see once everyone is going in the same position, right? So as well, what we can be seeing real quickly here is what are the longs and shorts doing right now here. Past 5 minutes, there are more people long. This is lovely to see here. 92% of the people are going long on Femex. That's pretty interesting. BYBIT, it is 80% going long right now. So yeah, the more people that are going long, the stronger my short will become. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards that. And guys, make sure that you're as well going to check out these information, because the more people that are going long, the stronger my short. Sorry, the stronger my short will be getting here. So it's very important to keep your eyes out on that one. Because you want to be always keeping your eyes out on what other traders are doing right now here. And guys, I want to be asking a quick favor once again here on the channel, because we are literally 18 subscribers away before reaching 57,000 subscribers. So it's going to be truly amazing if we can reach it live on the stream. And as well, I will be giving some prediction by the end of the year then for Ethereum, because some people are asking about it. Please share the link for the liquidations. I could be for sure doing so. It's a very easy. It's like the site it calls BYBIT, but then without the last I. So BYBIT. BYBIT. It's a very easy site to find it, and there you can find, of course, these links like open interest, grayscale, liquidations, etc., etc. So yeah, I'm not really able to do so right now here, but it's very easy to find it. Very easy to find. And if you still can't find it, make sure to just hit me up here on Twitter, because I will be posting probably a link on my Twitter then, right? So guys, make sure to as well hit that follow button over there. You guys have been absolutely massively hit that follow button already over here, so it will be truly amazing if you can be following me right now on Twitter at RoverCRC. Going to be truly valuable, of course. So yeah, let's see what we're going to have here. Bitcoin in the meantime going sideways ever so slightly. Not a lot of action here in this past 1 hourly candle. So yeah, pretty interesting. What is your Ethereum prediction for June 2022? I mean, it's pretty far away from now on. I will be ready to do a prediction for let's say January 2022, because personally I do think this huge bull run for, let's say, Ethereum Bitcoin is going to ending somewhere around the 2022 January, approximately, in my opinion. That was at least my prediction from a year ago. Right now, will be still stand. I will be still, yeah, say the same here. So yeah, I do expect Ethereum. I mean, this prediction was exactly the same I made 4 months ago here. 4 months as well on YouTube. I made a prediction that Ethereum is going to go towards 6 towards. So this is a very wide prediction, of course. 6,000 towards 10,000 US dollars. January 2022. That's my prediction. Of course, it's a very big range between it, but that is at least the range what we are going to reach here. So yeah, I personally think 8,000 towards 10,000 US dollars is still doable. Is likely to see Ethereum be there in the end of the year. But beyond that, I think it's getting too risky. Too risky. So yeah, for sure, you're going to make very good gains. You're for sure going to make good gains with holding Ethereum, Bitcoin till the end of the year. Shiba, no, man, please don't talk about Shiba with me. I mean, I've been warning everyone about Shiba. Shiba is the S coin. 70% of the tokens are holded by one person, and that is for me too risky. I don't like Shiba. Stay away from it. Stay away from Shiba. Come on, guys. I know you guys are better than that. So, pretty interesting what we're having. But right now, guys, I will be right now wrapping up the stream here. It was a true amazing stream, guys, because we did an approximately 2 hours, and we did even longer than 2 hour stream today here, guys. I mean, it was truly amazing to be back again with you guys over here. And let me know right now in the comment section, sorry, in the live chat, if you want to be seeing me back tomorrow with another stream, because then I will be back tomorrow with another 2 hour stream approximately with you guys. So, guys, thank you so much for tuning in as well once again to the stream, and we'll see you guys tomorrow back in a new stream. And later today, I will be dropping out another video, by the way, here. So keep your eyes on the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell notification, so you're not going to miss out on these moves here. And as well, of course, follow me on Twitter if you don't want to be missing out about what the market is doing here. Because yes, well, I'm not live, I will be keeping you guys up to date here on Twitter. So guys, thank you so much once again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.